Here we go. Friday vibes alongside Live Vibes Friday. Hold on. You're now tuning to Live Vibes TV. Big up everybody on this Friday evening. You know the vibes. You know the vibes.
Give me a mad feeling, but the grenade great. With the grab a leaf, send me go a place where gravity no exist. My love stay there, so no give me no bush weed and no daycare. Be a smoke in the air, the grades blaze making on my dome serenade. Push a fire like when me tap out with the care. Big fat split me about 50 pair. Board more. Me a bill a split like a damn bro. Show me no smoke coke. Me send it on a boat god. I'm a fella no puff smoke like me nose zone. Even cold stove. I me fuck up a war zone.
Them coward like that.
Like a toll road and a snow cone. It's at a damn broke bone. Nothing nose out north when me blow smoke. Johnstown.
Them coward like that. Never yet get a charge. So hold your bar. So hold your bar. Them hungry bad fi make car. Fi make phone car. You know no hard fit we done a talk.
Live vibes. Ready.
Banga mana banga mana banga. Banga mana banga mana banga. Roll dog. Roll up it. Banga mana banga mana banga. Banga mana banga mana banga.
It's a Friday vibes and a normal vibe. Live Vibes TV, you're tuned in there. Ready.
We no listen when chat him out chat. We no listen chat him out. We no listen more chat. Just flat up your head. Bad man no textile dog. You have to know that. Could have one or a load. Drive past police when them choppy roadblock. The banger with the thing. Me hold back. Traffic out back pro box. Watch who you follow back. Let me run up on your heavy body banger. Sam brought up, God of his cutter. You see the joint of them, not this none of me, brother. Go listen, black bars. Fit it fully hard. Teddy no, Kimani, you're the top shotter hand. Jamaica knows that the Jenna had the bang. Banga mana. Banga mana. Roll dog. Roll up it. Banga mana. Banga mana. Banga. Pull up on your block. Hey, God of his cutter. Banga.
Champion what?
Tire marks. Jump out now, love. Catch it on the wall in my tire path. Nah, couldn't get it moving up. Fat fire class. A fat girl ball up. Tire pass. Them a coward can live more braver than them. Them coward like dog. Boy, me hard cold and popsicle. Big on you, make people see.
Yo, me make my money talk top shot. Me pull up, I drop top swag. Top shot.
Voila. Like we said, Friday vibes and normal vibes. You're tuning in to Live Vibes TV. Like, share, subscribe. You know the vibes. You know the vibes. You know about this guy. Ready.
Yo, me make my money talk top shot. Me pull up, I drop top swag shop. Madras, black clocks and socks. Girl ask, what your name on Snapchat? Yo, me left it blue, me carry this like grass. Have bell on it, so me carry it like knapsack. Yo, it'll top my dog with jam bad. What make them sad? Money. Non-stop flow through me pocket. Make them go and screw like mechanic. Because man non-stop make money. Yo, real God, watch you pussy. Them a make talk, kill them family and then we go for them a dead yard.
Them swear, them get one.
Know me head man. Me no operator, so me never take talk. Put money on me head, but me love me. I go for them food, you didn't have the breakfast.
Them swear, them get one.
You know we class billions, I'm a 15
Go for them. This a one thing I me no understand, you know. From some boys start grow and up and some swear them turn man, you know. Like that little pussy they watch I rise them sit down, you know. Well anything the war start them fin know where them stand, you know. Put more if you step past the father go murder the son. Pussy you will get 5 by your face with the word of your gun. You know bad, do want say you're damn bad. Shater, you know what a little grandbag. Fully pussy you pack up like sandbag. Who will get back some coulda never style God. Ya know, them running and it was so easy for me kill them. But
me laugh, cause me no kill little children. If them make me head hurt like teeth, me no feel them. Me see a one bag of lip them, me make man pick up and keep them. Them feel it pass through, still a leave dead body. They made a leave them body. Go tell bright light, pick up tree dead body. But this one no hide and sing song. Them a look a hype for a sing song. Tell him me tell the King Kong. That bullet in a belly from the Ingram. Me try pie and me nazi shot a fling from. And my style them a sing and make a thing from. Where them Tony God, where them get the king from? Them dead to me well they say it a spring from. John Woo, them run in and it was so easy for me kill them.
You.
But me laugh, cause me no kill little children.
Ready.
If them make me head hurt like teeth, me no feel them. Me see a one bag of lip them, me make man pick up and keep them.
Feel like the rims and the Cadillac. Coachy load from in a Netherlands. With the grabbers think like alligator pan. Coachy load from in a Netherlands. With the grabbers think like alligator pan. The scheme hot today we are the weatherman. A boy should with a jam. Long time we no kill a man. So it's her Clemens like the little man.
Don't fuck with the truck. Oh God.
So you must catch a man. That's the echo when the grabber.
Ready.
Schema like Shabba Motherfucker.
Like we say a normal.
Shot fire, every man a drop flat. Everybody's trapped, every pan a nap. Feel like the rims and the Cadillac. When the M1 a nap. Shot fire, every man a drop flat. We run ya so everybody back. We badder than everything we bad. Madder than everything we mad. Black rain fall when you see we not. Steel pan a beat like Trinidad. When we step in the street like criminal. Cheat up you weekly the minimal. Funeral, dinner yam. Nobody have you, don't give a damn. When they grab a schema like Shabba Motherfucker. Shot fire, every man a drop flat. Everybody's trapped, every banana. Feel like the rims and the Cadillac. When the M1 a nap. Coachy load from in a Netherlands. With the grabbers think like alligator pan. The scheme hot to them, me a the better man. Boy shoulda drop body beretta jam. A long time we no kill a man. So we circle them ends like the letter man. Come, set a man, make a jam. A crane fire. So we must catch a man. When the grabber schema like Shabba Motherfucker. Shot fire, every man a drop flat. Everybody's trapped, every pan a nap. Cool fix.
Check. Yeah, follow Raver, follow me at Ding Dong Rave. I will leave a dance, me boss, but the one easier. So make we
Watch out, DJ vibes.
where the one near, low me now. Dancers, where the one near, low me now. Ravers, where the one near, low me now. Big dance, where the one near, low me now. Alright, low me now, low me now, low me now, low me now. Apart from
Just make sure you like, share, and subscribe. You check.
low me,
Showtime soon. Pick up everybody on this Friday evening.
low me.
Post of the week, they're good. But you see the weekend, yeah?
Swing your shoulders from left to right. Swing your shoulders from left to right. Swing your shoulders from left to right. No matter with the fussing and no matter with the fight. Let me say.
And you know, say Ding Dong perform at Water Street. And later on,
Left to right, swing.
tomorrow,
Shoulders from left to right.
like we say, Water Street.
Fussing and no matter with
Make
the
sure you get them tickets.
Low me now.
Ready?
Low me now. Low me now. Apart from me name, low me now. I'm low me now. Low me now. Apart from me name, low me now. Aye. Me no want your love, me no want your ear. Me not trust people, them send you go a jail. If I test them, I test me, them I go fail. And if you know you no like me, no give no ear. All who a see don't come in name, who no feel love me. Because you know one and now, no never grow me. Fake friends, me no want them surround me. And if you not do the right thing, love me now. Love me now. Fix up. Yeah. See the little youth and you want rap phone. Yo, that a something when me can't condone. Bet you say you get a phone call unknown. Down a money well road full of broke rock stone. Anything you see me walk with a my own. When you see me smoking a my own. Feel so high like me a fly drone. So clean to the bone, skeleton a try clone. You a move shaky, you a go get fixed up. Like when a mechanic a deal with a big job.
food me a pre, me no in a mix up. Food me a pre, me no in a mix up. You a move shaky, you a go get fixed up. Like when a mechanic a deal with a bitch. Food me a pre, me no in a mix up. Food me a pre, me no in a mix up.
Them they want we are. Who got them come back with the formula? Have everybody speechless like Michael Jackson song, you know. When we are work, them did a laugh, you know. No blood in me, I even dance in me heart, you know. Find the formula, fi making money to me family, yeah, that's the formula. Them they want me here, leave me alone, no like my cure. Just a go fi do the job, I want me done get the out of here. Me live me young life without no fear. And if me go away, tell my fans them no cry, no tear. My legacy will never die, I swear. Them a ball already, I'm a devil, I'm a prime, I swear. Come like my band before my time, I swear. Them say them happy for me, but me know them they want me, Who cut and come back with the formula? Have everybody speechless like Michael Jackson song, you know. When we are work, them did a laugh, you know. No blood in me, I even dance in me heart, you know. Find the formula, fi making money for me family, yeah, that's the formula. Trust, them never give me this money. Them act like me no deserve this. If me the lobster would hurt me. Them so good, but me still carry one thing with me. Laugh with them, but I don't trust them. Anybody design a ground, we are send them. Right now me feel charged, hey. Girl I get the cocky a massage, hey. House for the hill, go the garage, hey. Don't say my bus it for a cars, man want live large, me say me feel charged.
Let me go. Like we say, a live vibes Friday. Ready?
Right now, me feel charged. Hey, I get the cocky a massage. Hey, house for the hill, go the garage. Hey, tongues to my bus it for a cars. Man want live large, me say me feel charged. Hey, feel like me that fuck Nicki Minaj. Hey, give me a round of applause. Hey, can we start when I pass? Gotta take off them jars. Me feel charged. This is the style where you like.
Ready?
This is the ride that you like. Split off a light on my light. Hey, up on the grind of a night. Watch a 9 to strike. Alright, girl a pine on the pipe. Mad girl, but no for ride. I'm a type like your bad girl. Right, charge, hey. Girl I get the cocky a massage, hey. House for the hill, go the garage, hey. Tongues to my bus it for a cars. Man want live large, me say me feel charged, hey. Feel like me that fuck Nicki Minaj, hey. Give me a round of applause, hey. Can we start when I pass? Gotta take off them jars. Me feel charged, charge, hey. Charge.
What up?
Me love fuck girl, love make me gun sound. Charge man charge when you see we come round. Walla uptown, walla downtown. Fatty drop, man shake the compound. Hey slim girl, baby turn round. US in a pocket, maybe some pound. Crocodile miss a while, she no love clown. Crips flowing like brick, and me telling you don't drown. Hey, charge, hey. Girl I get the cocky a massage, hey. House for the hill, go the garage, hey. Tongues to my bus it for a cars. Man want live large, me say me feel charged. Hey, feel like me that fuck Nicki Minaj. Hey, give me a round of applause. Hey, can we start when I pass? Gotta take off them jars. Me feel charged. Hey.
Like we say, if you're tuning in right now, make sure you like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a friend.
This is the vibe. Gun bag a fight. Black on my belly, my bright on the side. Make a shot when you're ready outside of a slide. Me a dime with my pride. Do more than thing, me a ride with the tide. Hey girl, you for tight, not for wide. And if I tell us I'm a love, I'm a lie. Charge, hey. Girl I get the cocky a massage, hey. House for the hill, go the garage, hey. Tongues to my bus it for a cars. Man want live large, me say me feel charged, hey. Feel like me that fuck Nicki Minaj, hey. Give me a round of applause, hey. Can we start when I pass? Gotta take off them jars. Me feel charged. Hey, charge. Hey, right now me feel charged. Hey, girl I get the cocky a massage. Hey, house for the hill, go the garage. Hey, tongues to my bus it for a cars. Man want live large, me say me feel charged. Hey, feel like me that fuck Nicki Minaj. Hey, give me a round of applause. Hey, can we start when I pass? Gotta take off them jars. Me feel charged.
Yo, Saint Thomas. Them can't hold we down.
Check.
DJ.
Everybody,
Get to you.
make me go on with that
vibes right now.
Them wish them coulda kept me in. Right I know why.
Let me check the chat real quick. Let me check the chat.
Tell Crazy Jimmy want the cream. I mean Regine is not your body. When time me say me want rich, every ghetto you know what me mean. I be vision from me little and young fi make billions with fi me team. Dog we not dead left fi dream, and we not dead to the dream. Only for you make millions and them no say. Bad man kill them in a them sleep. Dog we not dead left fi dream, and we not dead with the dream. Only for you make millions and them no say. Them ain't no puppies in pan concrete. Bank book fi big like elephant. Every access grant. Every day the billions them head into the bank. Elevate from ghetto go live in a higher rank. Buy this spaceship and send me gal go fully tank. And if them miss me dead, them a drunk. Spray like mosquito repellent. I hope told me they a camp. Hope told me they a camp.
Check. Everybody. If you're tuning in, this is Vibes Friday. This is your boy Gallus J. I'm on a fire with DJ 9 Vibes. For the whole crew there. So yes, this weekend we are promoting Ding Dong, performing live in Rochester at Water Street Music Hall tomorrow. Come out. Watch the vibes. But before we reach the part there in juggling, we are going cruising. I make the chat build up, right? Hold them manta.
See a dreamless. Them not know about the realness. Fool with me are the smartest.
This is True Cause of Friday. Here you know. Here you know. You see every Friday when we are getting ready for the show. Hear the routine.
Me feel for some NSC.
What?
VSOP, no one see no walk, no J.O.B. Call some girl from the Gaza, call J.O.B.
Watch out.
VOD, Kiko, like a penalty. If you diss me, you're gonna pay the penalty. Fat sexy girl, I'm a referee. She named Stephanie. I'm never sober. I heard that.
Nobody don't tell me nothing. Pull up the tune.
Again, people. If you don't know protocol, every Friday, we day I will start playing music from 9 o'clock.
Me feel for some NSC.
Let me tell you now.
VSOP, no one see no walk, no J.O.B.
You see every Friday when the live vibes crew pull up.
Them know me unruly.
Know this.
Kiko, like a penalty. If you diss me, you're gonna
You see after the show.
Fat sexy girl, I'm a referee.
Let me tell you now.
Oh, I'm never sober. Higher than Jehovah. We no care for and ruling no use a means for that. No way. I'm never sober. No time. Higher than Jehovah. And me no drink green soda. You don't see me and I'm much like soda. Because now crap. I wonder what the free weekend come. The one a piece of dream weekend. Stop and maybe pick up the tree fruit. Them you know me love the girl them bad. Some me nah leave them up. Leafing on my trees you know me nah use blame. And them the body where you shake you know me nah use them. Y'all a strip on the strip. And I put them dip on it. You know me love when them broad out them hip. But something wet all like an extension clip. You want weed? Guess what? Skinny step in, so we frost again.
Watch it.
When we stop again, then more girl jaw drop again. Man a block fight in a dance, me no matter them. Because we stay high, from your clean the guns in the air high. When we party, y'all feel them there by. And no paper plane alone, me and music.
Watch it now.
Them can't stop me, no way. No, them can't stop me. Do the top of the bird, dog, we stay up, and we stay up. Why them want to see me drop and make them all sustain up? Dog, we stay up, and we stay up. Them tired to see me face until them all pain up. And we stay up, dog, we stay up. Every day you more millions, papi a pile up. Dog, we stay up, we stay up. Every day me money grow, so you know me can't rock. Me say, artists make we go war and everybody ready. Me say, go top the billboard, nobody no ready. So me, sister, who no now, well no met it. Man a bad from birth, that mean me coulda dead already. The M1 is a rifle, we very heavy. Now me have the road, I drive like a damn Chevy. In my 20s, I'm rich already. Dog, we stay up, and we stay up. Why them want to see me drop and make them all sustain up? Dog, we stay up, and we stay up. Them tired to see me face until them all pain up.
Ready? The night.
Every day you more millions, papi a pile up. Dog, we stay up, we stay up. Every day me money grow, so you know me can't run. jail, them want see we get locked up. Anyway, me there some fat pussy girl cock up. You know. Billions we want away, sufferation I go. Me want 20 million by tomorrow. Man gone pan a champagne flight test up. High grade pan the private flight. My police can't talk when the high grade light test up. Them can't stop we. No, them can't stop we. To the top of the bill, dog we stay up, and we stay up. Why them want to see me drop and make them heart sustain up? Dog we stay up, and we stay up. Them tired to see me face until them are pain up. And we stay up, dog we stay up. Every day you more millions, papi a pile up. Dog we stay up, dog we stay up. Every day me money grow, so you know me can't broke.
Hold on.
We still.
We are fix the music, but we they are same way people in the chat. We see them early, Manta they are early. What go on? What? No man, everybody at the park camera tonight, man. Everybody at the park camera tonight, man. So we said tonight we are promote some big bad party. I come up soon. We soon pop up the flyer, the man thing. But we are say we are going with some juggling. Me know I deal with it. So we are going to fix the music while we are going to juggle with the chat. So people like chat, just so we say, just drop some fire emoji. Make we know you are checking and you're there. Use it. Use it. So again, this is VYBZ Friday. Your boy Gallus J on the ones and trees. DJ 9 Vibes there. The band did pull up. Surprise him there early. So you go, well, is he early? We talk about that later, but Uncle Beans in the building, management there. Everybody there, see me. We there with Dr. Sour, but we are promote Ding Dong. I perform Water Street Musical tomorrow night. And on some other upcoming events. We're not done with the tunes, because we are waiting to the chat build up. But for now, like I said, we are fixing music and make you go and see the atmosphere. Uncle Beans in the building, like I say. I'm managing. Yeah. Oh. Go on. Shut up. I'm management there. See you today and go on.
I'm good. How are you?
Alright, today. I guess we have fixed the Tuesday so we can get back to it. And that's what I should do. Yeah, I'm going to tell her in there. Yo, hold on. She feed with tonight and provide it. Sponsored by the you see the kitchen. You see the kitchen full of food. You see the kitchen full of food. Alright, people, so that's there. I find the tools and so we can get the.
Yo, so what Paul there?
Who that? 10 minutes more juggling and then we get to the
Come down.
Dr. Sour.
Yeah.
Come down now.
Yeah.
Shut up.
You know, same short more there, and a bad me up over the check-in for me.
I got him do to me too.
That's cool, yeah, they know when you tell him how he's going to talk about something. I showed him tonight, you want to see him.
Alright, people, so we come back to the juggling real quick. We'll play some 10 minutes and more tune and then the show start, right? Ding dong are there tomorrow, but you see now?
2016.
But we're going in there juggling right now.
Water Street, come on. Hear me now. You the cash. You the GFS. Yo, rapper.
Watch it.
Well. Boy step out in the wall and flap himself. If I try to shoot up, corner, end up shot himself. Ricochet up by the wall and knock him flat in fell. Fucking 2016.
We could try your next time, you know.
Water Street, come on. Hear me now. You the cash. You the GFS. Yo, rapper.
Well.
Boy step out in the wall and shoot out corner, end up shot himself. Ricochet up by the wall and knock him flat in fell. fucking fool. Why go run down the war and get up in friends? Get up in family, get up in men. I couldn't tell her say I'm living none of them. Yeah, hear me? Bushmaster.
You can't have them tune and play so like that. Your man you play through the right way with that. Try to reset again.
Check it. Baby, chat. Big up for the nice piece, sorry for that. Yeah. I don't know what Jay. You look like Jay the beat today. I'm snitch. Guy like Jay table. That's what it is. Everybody nice too, look clean and fresh.
Bumbo clad.
Sometimes here. You got gifts? Murr. Alright, we're gonna roast you in the chat tonight. Alright. Yo, chat. We here, we trying to reboot the system. As I say. Yeah. Yo, why is so sweet? The last time. Hold on, man. I think I important call. Hold on. Chat, hold on. Oh.
Them call it important, you know.
Dr. Someone just pull up so the show will start soon. So until him get ready, I'll fix the tune and play some tune and thing.
Everybody in our chat, we're checking right now. Check in real quick and let me see who in our chat. Check in real quick. See bandit here.
Let me know real quick. Check. He is. What I hear me? Yo, put on the so forward because we know say I mean you can't go. Hey, I won't even talk about it. Yeah, because when I go Home Depot today, I say. Me in a Home Depot, I'm giving you a quick story. A long time when I go Home Depot, you know. So I go Home Depot as an ex-worker. I always go in there purposely to make them try to chat me and make them, things say me out, remember big dirty money, I'm rich. But anyway, chat. I'm going to Home Depot today to go buy some lumber. You see me, I say, I do my local side job. And walk in and grab the lumber and I pay for the lumber, brother. This lady walk out with her cat. Soon as she reach the edge of the she had like a little air machine in her cat. She walking out. Soon as she reach the edge of the before she go through the door, the cat stuck. And now move. I said, I look down and I like this shit caught my attention. So I turn around. I said, oh, they was stone under the cat. Them niggas got locks on the wheels, nigga. Nah, she obviously rented the tool. But automatically it's like, because it's an item that the camera probably see, check out how they register right there, so they locked her shit. The dude had to come out and push the button to let the cart go. I'm like, oh shit. And the lady got mad because, you know what I'm saying? She ain't expect this shit. She knows she paid for her shit. You know what I mean? But anyways, we'll make our video. I said, God damn. I ain't never seen this shit before. So chat, Home Depot have tap to pay and security wheel on them cat. Them rich. You know how much money that we take out all of them cat there and put one of the wheel them and put a magnetic brakes on it. So it's an invisible line between it. You're not gonna know, Brother, it's a dark fence line, So as soon as it's across that shit, the wheel lock up. So all them bitches, I'm sorry. I'm coming for y'all. Rochester, yo, me say the girl them brawling too, brother. And some big belly gut girl going to Home Depot too, with stroller, brother. Yeah, brother, and I full up the cat, them a tool and them thing, then I walk out, so them Home Depot got ya niggas now. They got full police at Home Depot now. Armed guards. And they still got their little undercover, you know what I'm saying? Boom. But people, anybody who thinks them I got thief at Home Depot, them niggas lock your niggas up. Yeah, I go to jail. One time I could, them niggas, it was an easy lick. Home Depot was an easy lick. Now? Yeah. Yeah. And it's coming from the bandit himself. So make sure to believe it. But yeah, man, that was just a crazy story, my day. Chat with us, I go and talk out in the years, because I don't know, send me for sorry. Yeah. So. No, Jay with him laptop. You make a outdated. I bet if it is a Windows laptop, this boot up long time. If it's a Windows laptop, this boot up long time.
If you like what you like what you like. Wanna bring it yourself.
You see that?
Pop.
You see.
It's pop thing, boy. I said, man, attack a yeah, pop.
I know it.
Yeah, box. You're not box. Oh, go on. So, of course, come down, man.
Where people, they are locked in for the next Friday. Yeah. Now there's some freestyle now. Can we get there are some technical difficulties. You see me I say?
A bunty new talk, man.
I was just there.
I'm gonna switch it out.
Check.
Alright. Youths.
Uncle Beans up on the show tonight, so we know see enough things.
That's crazy. I ain't never seen this.
Check. Come in. You never see it. You need to start show up at work early, you know, because the chat are going to start dock your pay. And me, I'm going to start watch your pay, you know. And the chat.
You're going to have to up my pay for me to get here earlier.
First of all, you sitting in front of state-of-the-art talker phones with stands, and you got the management here. You know we getting audited, so you better act right. So you know what I'm saying? We getting the whole order right now. So chat. If y'all ain't here yet, if y'all ain't do it yet, make sure y'all tap that like button. Them there, man. From me and talk, them there. Them there. But anyway, big up on a nice clean self in that chat. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. But I beg you know, please like the live. When I have a share, like Coach J always I beg. When I what kind of video guys are better? Yo people, come get the DJ. I shut up. But please, man, beg the people. When I have like my voice. Let us please like the live. Yeah. Yeah, we have a bag of something here tonight, you know, come a clock in, you know. Yeah, a clock in early too. Dr. Sauer in the building. You see him. To the far road, on the panel on side around part of this up. You don't know, see it.
Right here, yo.
How the big brother Uncle Beans himself.
Since I woke up this morning. So if I'm a little bit irritable, just give me a minute, yo.
Take a shot fast, man.
Go on, man.
Take a shot
tours
fast.
from early.
Let's take a shot
tours. Early tours. Dr. Sauer in the building. The management in the building.
The shot before the shot.
Yeah. Let's drink that fast.
You think I said drink that fast?
Yeah.
I just go peer pressure my boy like that, chat. You just see that? He just took that like a champ, chat.
I did. That's been a long day.
Yeah. I see the likes going up. I got 5 likes and there's 11 y'all in here. If I could count right, I'm missing 5 more likes. I know I could count 2. So if it's 5 likes and it's 11 y'all here, 5 more y'all need to press the like button. I think so. Nah, 6 more y'all need to press the like button. Word. Oh, y'all ain't gonna say me like that. I thought I was smart and I had smart friends, but they just gonna let me go back at the class.
People not in the chat, go outside of the chat and like the actual
video.
Go
like
the actual video.
No, many things I'm me dunce.
Yeah, you.
And me, I might chat friend them dunce. Please just exit the chat and just go like the live. Yeah. Brianna, Bri, please don't tell me say you do that. You don't know if I like one live. Millennial not like you.
Michelle, what you know?
Anyways.
Yo, you make up a blood clot word away like a millennial.
Why? Yeah.
Boy, yeah. Nice, you know? Yeah, man, I depend some, you know?
What's all, man?
I'm supposed to check in for him now. I'm supposed to there. I don't know where I'm there. And you was to leave though. If you was to leave in a studio, I don't know how him there studio.
Yeah, man, I tell you.
You look like you have the sleeve. You know, it's a halfway cross zone, them man, they work too, you know, so they probably on the sleeve too.
True. Take care of them
yeah.
people there.
Stop pick up
Yeah.
the blood, like, me up on the road. Take my phone, right?
Yo! Judge, I got people in that chat on herself. And the DJ over here with them cheap laptop.
Oh, don't do
I
that.
don't know who is a DJ here, but
Where's your laptop?
my laptop, you know, so when I realize I'm in a whole one, when I have a laptop to my name.
Okay, so you got
Yeah.
So anyway, people, how we are going to do this? So, give me the type of phone.
The people can't hear you, man. I want to tell you.
Give me do my intro.
I'm going to tell you
So
this.
we can kick it off.
I'm going to tell you this, you.
Tell me quick and fast.
Anyways, alright, go on with the ball of fire, guys.
No, wait. Them guy here, man.
Me here.
Him just like himself.
Yo, anyway, people, so we're there. This is your boy, Gallus J. This is VYBZ Friday, each and every Friday. And I introducing yourself.
Dr. Sour, you already know what it is, man. Y'all know. I don't even know what camera nowadays. We so high tech nowadays.
Yeah, well, we have two special guests today. They're a part of the Live Vibes family. And one of the key, two of the main reasons why we're there sometime and still are going. So.
That's been here for a while,
Yeah.
too.
And
Yo.
it's really
They're behind the scenes for a while, yo.
Yeah, so introduce yourself, let the people know who to be.
Ladies.
And the role you want to play for the team.
Yeah, so just call me management. Yeah.
Oh.
That's not the name for no.
You don't know it's Kevin Vibes, chef. You don't know in the building. You hear that?
Yeah, I feel like the last time we saw you, you was winning the cooking competition.
Yeah, real talk.
So that's alright.
I wasn't here. I just watched
Alright.
the video. I'm saying I'm going off of what I saw.
True.
It's all good. Well, I said people, I
Let's take the L, man. Take the L. Let's take the L.
Yeah, I live vibe chef that and thing. So yeah, people tonight I give. Oh.
Yeah, what that you know? You start
Yo,
you mix up already, you know.
You should have whispered that to my man. The chef, when you said the chef will cook it down in the rice and peas.
Yeah.
The bad still in them, like my chef and bad chef.
Yeah, that piece of bad.
What about like
My chef and bad chef.
browning?
People in the chat don't never hear about that yet, the brownie in the rice and peas.
If you don't get too dark, you can brown it the right way. It's just like chicken, though. You can't put too much, so you don't pick up your rice.
I'm not gonna lie, chef. I learned that from, but if brave to me, that man, you say if it work, yeah. And if you don't run the belly,
Yeah, we just know your more, man. Though, with a little bit of sugar. That's it, and balance with a little salt and black pepper and paprika.
Yeah, it's the same way like go if you're not a brownie, if you're not a brownie for your brown stew, you just do some brown sugar and like brown it the right way.
Yep.
I think it's the same concept.
Yeah, so like I said, people, tonight our game night episode, but we just going to freestyle it with the same way because we have a bunch of topics that we're going to touch y'all, a whole bunch of different stuff, and here's it. Oh, I thought I was in it. Alright.
You down.
Yeah, we got some bunch of topics we're going to touch y'all and just have fun conversating about, like I said, we all look what y'all do. No, I know that me attack. Yeah, kill off management.
Oh.
Management asthmatic. But anyway.
There are minutes, sir.
Yeah. So we're there go in with the show. So you got some events lined up. We'll do some shout outs real quick. Everybody in the chat.
Gang.
We're gonna have two people checking in our chat so far, and that's Brie and Manta, and Michelle. So and we have more people than that to watch some more. Everybody check in so we can shout out real quick.
I need 2 more likes, that's all. And it's oh man.
Because when you know the rule, until you touch in and have to drop a comment and share and go about the business. You see? But stay still.
Like the live. Not so much share, but like the live.
Yeah.
TikTok this.
Oh, let DJ Maestro just pop in our chat while going with General.
Like the live as a reaching. Please.
Yeah, just like the live and thing. Because like I said, we got some events we about to shout out real quick.
Live shout, drop a comment.
But everybody in the chat, big bad DJ Maestro just check in. So go follow him on Instagram.
Shouts out to Maestro.
Yeah,
man.
Maestro.
Maestro birthday coming up too.
I mean, I wait for him to pop up on the screen, make him know so we over here promote it from the drop.
Yeah.
Yeah, the Pisces are here every year. I'm a big.
This the 40th. This the 40th, or was last year's 40th?
40th what? I thought you meant 40th party. I'm like, nigga, I don't think even.
Yeah, put it on.
Maestro, me not ask your age, you know. And that's so I know, but I think this is the 7th annual Pisces of year.
It might be.
Yeah. So yeah, I'm a big bad chromatic fan straight out of Jamaica. Me tell you, say that party they got different still.
Maestro, big OG.
Yeah, big OG in that game. Shout out to you. I get 41 himself.
I got, speaking of birthdays and everything, man. We
Michael said 41. Yeah, 7th annual Uncle Michael said.
I gotta shout out my boy Pusha P, man. It's his birthday too, man. That's I tried to get him to pull up. He in town for his birthday. He live in ATL right now, but he's in town for his birthday. I'll try to get him. He might pull up later on for the after vibes, or he just might pull up in the middle of the show. I don't know, but big shouts out to him, man. That's the president of Lion Paw right there, man. You know, Lion Paw, my group, my team, and everything. That's our president right there. So I made a lot of money with that man. Yo, he's good people's man. Matter of fact, the wedding that I was just in recently.
Yeah, oh yeah.
That was it was his wedding. So yeah, his birthday is today. His birthday today. So big shouts out to him, yo.
Happy birthday.
Blessed is John King.
Yeah,
that's John, my boy.
Yeah, just like that.
What? I mean that.
I mean, man, I talk about. But so we are going to run it the same way.
Yo, they can hear you, bro.
What else we have to shout out?
Let me think, man. Polish, DJ Polish birthday.
It was a couple days ago.
It was a couple days ago. Yeah, it was this week. Yeah.
No reservation.
Yeah, he had his party.
His party was last week.
We don't know him like that, but that's how you go.
I mean, I know that he done came here and showed love to Rochester a good number of times.
Because they book him.
Yeah, I mean.
I know that nigga from SoundCloud.
Yeah, I can't argue that. I can't argue that at all, yo.
They book him. Yeah. I don't like him say we up here go and go to my bum pass through. Different. But shout out him say my bad DJ. What?
In the party I keep up over in a blood clad the out of town DJ want come show them love.
What you say?
The man them nah show the same blood clad fire. Now I'm talk that shit, you know.
Shot shit?
Yeah.
Bathroom over there, so. Shot shit.
Hey, yo, what's going on tomorrow night, man?
Yes.
Matter of fact, hold on, because I didn't drop this in the chat either, man. Speaking of Pusha P, man, his birthday party is tonight at Obsessions, yo. Chuck Norris DJ and DJ Yachty. I think Nick Cage passing through too before he head out of town. But so that's going down tonight at Obsessions. Pusha P birthday bash. It's I think it's a Pisces party too as well, if I'm not mistaken, because it's Pisces season, ain't it? So make sure if y'all out tonight, man, make sure y'all pull up to Obsessions, man. I'm definitely gonna go in there, shows with love.
Don't forget tomorrow, Ding Dong.
You already know.
That's the thing.
You already know.
And Jay gonna be the host, so.
Thank you, man. He tried to be humble about it.
Hey.
Do the thing, you see me?
You may say.
What? Me is the Jay said them goons them go page the promoter. Say yo, they can't keep no more party about the place.
You're not even get that charge.
Yeah, for boss me. Jay say, I need a boss. You see me? I say. And the promoter say, no worry, I say. Yeah. So I'm the food friend I'm gonna get tomorrow. Yeah. I will be a few people in party here.
Big shouts out to CDF, man. CDF, man.
With the big concert, them always.
Yeah, man. You know they always. This the first concert of the year, as a matter of fact, ain't it? First dancehall concert of the year.
Yeah, and them have a.
It is. This is
It's
it.
January.
Oh, my bad.
2025, bro. This is the first one of the year.
Yeah, the first one of the year, and them have a big one. Announce after the one, yeah, so no one spoil the party. But
Yeah, oh yeah.
Yeah, I think them drop something so them announce something. Yeah, them brother just have...
Big shouts out to JC, man, Fire Kid, Ari, Dixon, Vanna, the whole family, man. CDF, man, the CDF collective, man. They all of them, man. They
go and do the thing.
Big up.
Right, they haven't failed us yet. I mean, so far so good. Speaking of CDF, Friday Night Vibes, man. That's going on tonight too at Jolie.
Yeah, this one.
JK. Yeah. That's you know Jolie, that's JC and all of them associated with that, man.
Okay, so
you ever had their food before?
No, I never know see a restaurant.
Yo, they food is alright. Yo, I gotta give it up. They food is pretty good, yo.
Chicken is crazy.
Yeah.
You gotta check their fried chicken out.
They food is definitely good there, man. Shouts out to Jolie, man. Shouts out to JC, man. That whole team. Once again, the CDF collective again, man.
I like the bar set up here.
That big bar in the middle?
Yeah.
You been to Studio Lounge yet?
Nah.
You will. I'm gonna make sure you make it there, buddy.
When you Studio Lounge again?
February 23rd, man. We in the building, man. We in the building. Studio Lounge.
Yeah, what's
that?
It's called Crush on You, man. It's my people's, man. It's they call it Studio Love Entertainment or something, something like that. But it's an R&B party. Nick Cage DJing. Yep, Nick Cage DJing. Dynamic gonna be on there. Just mix it.
Sound like it's gonna be dope.
So I mean, that's gonna be our first time setting foot in Studio Lounge. You know, if I'm in the building, y'all in the building. So
chat, look out for that flyer. You know, Studio Lounge.
So I'm telling you, that's a nice vibe in there. That's a.
Yeah.
So right now, people, like we said the other day, hey, we got that events out of the way. We got the Culture Clash too. I don't know if we got a flyer for that, but we got the Culture Clash coming up in the 25th. That's what, next week?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
Culture Clash. So that go tough. Yeah, wait for that. And all of them other things there.
Crush on You.
No, you can just.
That's what we're talking about. Yeah, the Studio Lounge one.
Yeah. So,
It didn't even sound like that's what you said.
Yeah, that's what I said. It never sound like. That's why I say, alright. Everybody, so Dr. Soa.
What's good, man?
Get the shout out the way and then we just get into the show.
Let's go, man. I mean, I already got a shout out the way. So where you at with it? I got pour myself up.
Yeah.
Everybody got some in their cup?
Pass it. We only call them.
Who down am I drinking right now?
Me, I drink it, man.
Done.
For me, I drink it, you know. Let me get some of this over.
Where you ask for DJ?
Possibly only call them.
Myself and Jenny in our fridge.
Legend.
You have chase around.
Oh, that's the Maestro one. Yeah, so it is the 7th annual. That's what it is.
Yeah.
Big shouts out to Maestro, man. Who was on Chromatic?
Chromatic.
Chromatic.
Any hour.
I apologize.
Yo, chat.
Hey, remember who son, you know? So you must expect the father to fuck with him.
Immaterial, who that? Massive and DJ Lala?
Yeah. Ooh la la la.
Yo, tonight I'm mad, you know, cause yo, me and I'm strums and bass thing, you know.
Strums is crazy.
Yo.
You make up for the other chat tonight?
You see it?
Yeah, man, I need an extra this. I wish the maestro flare this. Okay.
That's a Sky Lounge.
Yeah, make sure you lock in this fire, man. Y'all see the lineup.
They gonna keep sitting on here.
Figure out if it's a JR that?
It gotta be.
Yeah, it's definitely JR.
It gotta be.
I thought we figured that out already.
I never know if we figure it out. I don't know the person.
Where are the you name Panny? Pan Chromatic.
I only got them, but I don't know.
Yes, a few of them.
Usually to the JR.
Yo, Maestro, if you're in a chat, make good know which one I DJ them Panny.
Oh yeah, Maestro wasn't here earlier. He wasn't here earlier, yeah.
I think. Let me know.
Alright, yeah, so what's up, man? We gonna put these cups in the air? Everybody cups up?
Shaq, where your cups at? Where your cups at?
What that, Jay?
Man, now what kind of concoction that's in
What that looks like?
Yeah, whoa.
So, everybody cups up.
So what we say, Jay?
Like we said, we was here last week and we're here again this week, and for that we thank God. And shout out to everybody that they said have a birthday that's coming up or who's having a birthday. And for life.
That is it.
Cheers.
Management, we get
Did you even sip? You gotta take the top off and take a sip of your drink. At least. We letting you rock with the water.
Making it sweet.
Thank you.
So, I don't know if you guys heard, but I saw a video circulating of Trump talking about how he wants to make Canada U.S. territory or another state. He's like, just remove the imaginary borderline. What do you guys think about that?
He just be talking.
He be saying whatever he feel like saying, yo.
I understand about the
Canada though.
In a matter.
Canada though.
We're on with Canada. Canada.
I think they're going to be like a
Canada no social life, you know.
Yeah, but he can't.
No, Canada
it's too much. It's too much.
You're not talking like a third world country, no, bro.
No, but remember, say he have a space so he could expand and make a better good country.
Canada is so much. Canada is so much. Like Canada is one of the biggest countries.
It's land mass, but not population.
Oh, not population, but as far as land goes, as far as land goes, it's one of the biggest countries. That's crazy. Yeah, because nobody live in the northern parts of Canada like that.
Probably the Inuits.
Yeah.
Yo, you know what? I feel like the problem is because of the currency. I think of the money part.
No, it's not just the money.
money
Trust
part.
me, it's a lot.
Wait,
It's a
up on the
lot.
currency again? How long time in
It's
it?
it's
All them there.
there's a Canadian here, so.
All them.
I advised my opinion, and then she's like, nah.
They more than they circle.
You know.
They circle America now.
Let's hear from her.
We talk to you after the show.
No, I don't
But,
need an update, you know.
I know that. Alright. So based on what I'm hearing on social media, people are for it and people are against it. People are like, oh, yes, it would be best for the trading and it would be best for the economy, blah, blah, blah.
Yeah.
And it would expand opportunity for the Canadians, especially Canadian-born Canadians. But then, on the other hand, it's like the Queen, first of all, the Queen and over England would never let go Canada.
So England won Canada?
Basically, they're a
okay.
colony, you know. They
I
were
never know, yeah? Just
Yo, that's crazy. I don't think I knew that either. Yo.
So wait, the Canada...
I did know that. Yes, I did know that.
So Canada get independent from British?
Yeah.
I did not know that.
Yeah, they still have the Queen and King Charles, sorry.
On the money. Yeah.
Okay.
They do. They're basically like Commonwealth, like Jamaica.
I never know that.
Oh,
That's
so
how
basically,
that's how I take interest.
England own everywhere and give a whole land to white people in, and then left Africa for years and we fight over and still come try running.
Yeah,
Basically,
in essence.
Bumbo clot. Jaja.
That's a
You wicked. But let me say,
It's
me believe in that.
serious,
Me believe Trump. Even a little simple joke like that, he will take serious if you all taunt him too much, because he petty.
He ignorant. He ignorant as fuck, yo.
He petty, so he
Hey,
will
I
fuck
don't
around
think
and
y'all
find
understand.
out.
Trump went south, and I don't think it really worked. And Trump like, alright, I'm gonna hit y'all at the north this time. It's just a play. He just trying to get y'all riled up.
Well, I
And
mean,
get some people.
since
Because that's
he
a
said
whole
that-
other country to be on his side. As you
I
say,
mean-
a lot of people was with it.
look here. Since he said that, the Prime Minister has stepped down.
Oh.
So I don't know
Step down?
what's going on.
Now, does that mean? Does that
He
mean?
said,
resign?
he said he's resigning.
Did it have anything to
from
do with that?
party. I don't know. I have no idea. We just heard that hey,
Judge,
I'm no longer gonna be the party leader or the Prime Minister.
How long been there with the
I'm gonna
country
be
for?
here for a little while.
So who take over after that?
Like they
Trump!
They have to.
Nah, people.
Nah,
Yeah,
yeah.
you wildin', bro. You see how proud
How
he
long
shouted
you
that?
was in the country for before
You know
Oh,
he voted
it's
for
1.5
Trump.
years.
2.5 years?
They're gonna have to elect a new party leader first, and then after they elect a new party leader, then they can have another election for the new prime minister.
So the elections like America like every 4 years or something like that?
Yeah, I think so.
So many know.
Yeah.
But you say we don't want Canada be a part of the US.
Me not
So
care,
that's
you know.
mad states it will have to be broken into.
You don't have to broke it, but I say just the state of Canada.
Nah,
Leave
bro.
it as is.
I mean,
Nah,
So,
bro.
why would
Nah,
you
can't be
how
like
is it
that.
would be a problem?
And then you got...
How is it such a problem? As him said, just move the imaginary line.
Yeah, but where you call Toronto though?
You know what you mean? So this is another
Toronto.
city. Toronto.
We don't, you're not
No, you
change
can't.
Nothing gonna
You're not
change.
changing.
Nothing's
Canada
gonna
is
change.
not. So listen, Canada
Can't
is
be like that.
already its own
can't be.
things that are
Okay.
named after the Queen
They're called-
and
Exactly.
Okay.
provinces. Thank you.
And
They're
what's wrong
already
with that?
provinces. It's already
It's names. What's wrong with that?
So they're gonna change all of the states.
They don't
and
have
all
to
the
change
provinces in the
nothing,
states?
bro.
Hey, yo,
Why would they have to change anything?
you know, say
What is that, the highway?
Because this is all stuff that's based off of the Queen and English stuff. This is all,
you know, say certain stuff.
their whole government setup is
Okay.
not like our government setup.
it's set up
understand
like
that, so
Jamaica
that-
government.
But you
that
see,
you'll
Kenny,
probably have to battle.
you know, say with certain things though,
Obviously.
the US still have to link with the Queen.
I believe so.
Oh.
I don't know,
Ca-
but you know.
ca-
I
them have to pay- them still
I'm
have
about
to pay
it.
some
I know
attention.
what you do tonight, though, but me don't know still. But in terms of just like visually speaking, I don't think it's a problem
You
until it
thinking
comes
of-
down to the politics of it. You know what
Yeah,
I'm
you're
saying?
just thinking about it, just looking at it as, at a map.
Yeah, I'm just looking at it. as a
Yeah,
map.
nah, it's way deeper
But
than
we're
that,
not
bro.
talking. Yeah, that's you know that's what I'm doing. You were saying
Yeah.
the name change
Yeah,
and shit.
nah,
That's
I
what
get
was
it. I
talking
get
about.
you. I get what you're
But obviously
saying.
the government and shit. Like,
People.
all right, let me ask you this: what does Canada
Low as
have
fuck.
that you would want over here in the U.S. or
Fresh
you wish U.S.
food.
would have?
Caribana.
Elf.
What is it?
No, man.
What does that mean?
Yo,
Fresh
Bucky,
food.
you can grab my
They
my
got
bag.
free- they got free health
Small-
over
the
there?
Smaller bag.
Huh?
You think got free health over there?
They have free
Yeah,
healthcare,
free healthcare.
yeah, but
You see, but
but
somebody in
you
the
have
chat
a-
say, One above all say in the chat say, nothing change, nothing. Puerto Rico is still US. Exactly.
Same shit. Same shit.
Boom! Shout out to everyone.
Shout out to the chat, man.
Yeah, we're blood clot. Like, you know what? Hey, that's more no states we could have gone, you know.
Listen, man.
And that me I try to tell you.
I'll be curious to see it happen, bro.
Mr. Taiwan, I in a chat alone you can there. Alright, you're not getting no pay tonight. And we are getting added too, so
What were you asking me again?
I think him ask so what can I do?
No,
the healthcare.
No, I said I'm a free health over there.
But
He asked me what would I like.
Oh yeah, I was more asking Kenny and more Kenny.
But I mean the free
like,
health.
what does Canada? What are some of the attributes and things or services that Canada offer that you would like to see employed in the U.S.?
But I will tell you that, okay, yes, there's free healthcare, but if it's a specialist or anything like that, you're going to have to wait like months to years to get to a doctor,
that's
depending on the availability. So like, okay, for example, speech therapy. I know speech therapists who have 2-year wait lists.
Damn.
So like as they bond, basically, you have to put them on the list.
A speech therapist.
Right.
That's crazy.
2-year wait.
So I guess that's a... Oh.
It's a good and bad thing.
Where the Eric there? Yeah, you got it. Alright, sorry.
But even though I said the healthcare are positive, you know, is it that good?
I mean, it is good. I would say. One thing I would probably give Americans from there is maternity leave that's longer, because they can get up to 1 year paid maternity leave. Over here, I heard it's like can be 6 weeks even, depending on where you work, and that's like horrible for me to hear because.
Up to a year is crazy. Up to a year is crazy, yo. But that's what's up, yo. It should be. It should be. I feel like it should be.
Yeah.
It should be like that.
Recover,
that makes sense.
Well, what both peers go through after that just to readjust their life. Take that whole year.
Nah, I do not disagree with it. It just sounds crazy though. It like being from a place where it is 6 weeks. Like they get them time. They get them time to have the baby heal and come back to work. That's exactly what they get them time to do. Yo,
still getting their money.
That's it, yo. And then some women be working up until the time they giving birth.
For that though? Like, what if you start working at the job for 6 months? Like, you get pregnant.
Should be.
You should be.
Yeah, but I think you have to work up until a certain point in your pregnancy.
In order to get your maternity leave,
Yeah, and that's with any job, no?
Yeah, with any job.
You got to put in a 90-day then for certain things, perks kicking. Would I like that?
A year makes sense though, yo. I do agree with that. A year makes a lot of sense.
That's a whole lot of time to recover and start life.
You gotta think, but I feel like in that year they could decide to either go back to work or not go back to work at all.
Yeah, true.
And you might be able to find a new job in that year, or cut down at your hours and get a part-time job in that year. Like just like you said, it's you in that year. Your whole life is readjusting to this child. So I feel like a year is
the drop off.
Maybe that's why the U.S. be like, nah, fuck that. We don't give you that much time to think. They're like, nah, we don't give you no time to think, yo.
No, when for real, you know, America don't really get time for figure it out. You know, they want you to make that decision that would. The first decision will sound like the best decision.
We gonna pay you for this. If you going out longer than this, you done. What's up? That's that's exactly how they feel about it, yo. That's crazy. That makes sense though.
Canada is more family oriented in that way.
That makes sense.
Because they even have a family day, which is a holiday, national holiday.
Really?
Everybody
family day?
Yeah, it's a family day. So you have to. It's a holiday. Nobody works on family day. Everybody stays home.
That's crazy. That's fire.
What day is that?
What day is it?
I have to try to remember. But
I'm about to Google it. Yeah, I gotta look this up. Yeah. That's dope.
That's dope. At least
it's so much. I would never get a family day.
Right.
I said, they don't really mess with it. Them just want the man of them and the fire them fit enough to go.
You work and come back and pay them tax.
That's crazy. That's crazy.
Can't believe what I'm saying. So alright people, we're going to the next part of the Baga now because enough about Canada. We'll go over in the island real quick. So, I'm glad you were there.
February 17th.
Oh, so that would have
It's right after Valentine's
That's what I
Day.
said. That would make sense because
Yeah, because they don't celebrate Valentine's Day in Canada, do they?
Not as a holiday like that.
Well, it's not a holiday.
It's a day.
It's not really a holiday.
It's
It's not a
a
holiday.
holiday.
No, it's not. You don't get a day off of Valentine's Day.
Fucking holiday here.
No, it's not. They just it's a merchandise selling holiday here.
True.
Yo,
Depends on where you're there,
what
work.
the rest of this nigga pay?
What's that? Where me and I'm first.
Yeah, I say, body about
Hey,
black
wait,
fox.
come back in the tall man clothes for. Hey, shut up.
Who coming out town?
I don't know.
Me?
Man come
You
here
know
and
what's that
jaggers,
work?
leave the man.
Hey, cheap quarter pants. Anyway.
No.
Man, then I'm
Yo,
jaggers,
I
leave
didn't
the
forget
man.
that, but like,
I'm jaggers on him, I'm jaggers on him.
I'm on the baccarat.
How am I
Boy.
But I never wear one perfume named Baccarat. That must stink.
Someone knows
Yo.
something now. No money.
What go on with the white socks?
It's apparently a
What go on with the white socks
I'm
and
gonna
black
go watch some
shoes?
sex, brother. Yo, don't play about some black money. Yo, leave me alone. Yo, people, the dress code is green, black and white.
So you got the white socks?
Black and white.
The white ankle socks?
Yeah.
Alright.
Don't fit it down, bro. Jay, why you have my white socks?
What do you mean why I got white
He
socks?
asking me what I got.
I got
white
green,
socks
black,
on.
and white on.
I got green, black, and white on.
Yeah, but in the car.
Alright, so on social media,
Yeah, the next bagger.
it's been circulating about who the new king of dancehall should be.
Alright, be or is.
When I bring it over here?
Well,
Alkaline.
Oh.
okay. Alright, if you say alkaline, what are the characteristics of the dancehall king? Like, what is it that is about him that you think?
At the all like, honestly, at the all I must say, from cartel lock up, like, lift up the place and run if you're good. 5 years span.
Alkaline?
Yeah.
5 year?
More than that, but I just leave it at 5 years.
Yeah, you can't say that Alkaline ain't been doing this thing, though.
You can't go
Yeah, man.
I feel like it was only like the couple of the 2-3 years after that. He just said like a good run.
No, man, he get a good run, man. What you talking about?
After 2018, I don't feel like.
Nah, man.
No, man.
Yeah, you crazy, yo.
Remember I said Carter going.
Come on.
Carter going 13,
You're
you know.
biased, you're biased.
No, really, I think.
Carter going 13, you know.
Yeah.
At 12 hours.
And then Alkaline run up until
He might run it
2016.
till
And then
And
you
after
still
that,
have
we don't see him.
18,
You're
19.
crazy.
18, 19, man.
I give Alkaline.
Because he
Lucky,
didn't
yo.
even have
Alright.
one of them really good albums that did come out like must have 2021.
Make we see. Why
What
latest
album name again?
Nobody don't know.
That man trying to
No, it's bad, man, but you know me, is a man, DJ, Bucky, come here, man, you know you have all the info.
But I don't agree with you, so you can't come ask me for...
Yeah, so your artist album bigger than the album there?
No, so you want to
Your artist,
That
two
new
artist
level,
album come together.
that was 2016.
Yeah, but two artist album come together to bigger than the album there.
What?
What the album name?
What you just say? I will be there, brother, for call for my show. Sit down, I'm a seat and I come try. I want to
Top prize.
Yo, production.
That was 2021. Top
This
prize.
is crazy. Yo, no.
Top prize.
The man said the song puppy got dropped.
No, we're not going to speak
The one before
past
that, New Level Unlock.
Yeah, we're not going to speak.
That's what
No,
that was you right.
Listen,
Yep.
no, you're not going to do that.
No level unlock. So
You're
let's say
not going to do that.
That was 2016
You're not
though.
going to do that.
New Level Unlock was 2016.
And then, but then
Yeah, top prize was. You're
That
right.
ain't it.
So we have
That
say
ain't-
so
that you can't say that. You can't
so
say
none of
that.
the artist
No,
album
don't get me wrong.
also that album
get me
there?
wrong.
None of
Don't
the
get me
artist
wrong.
album also the album there?
We're not talking about outside, you know.
Yeah, see the dog in the chat to 2015 to 2019.
You can get that,
Let me tell you, say after.
Nah, man, but I feel like the album that came out top prize in 2021, I think it was a really good album.
No, way
No,
man
new
talk-
level sell more.
That was
Yeah,
2016.
if you talk numbers, I don't know about if you looked at the numbers and you know the numbers, I can't argue on that.
Alright, you mean?
Alright, so who you say then?
Who you say? Me say Alkaline. Who you say?
Him say Alkaline.
Check the chat,
Me
the
not
chat,
say
the
no
chat
man,
and
but
drop
I
some
disagree
here.
with him.
So you always agree with me and I want to answer the question.
No,
you come give it to me.
you just jump up and
You just give it to me for life. Alright, I know I love the fuck with you.
Yeah, because you don't agree with that. I'm why artists got to brother, but you can't say that.
Right. So wait, so did the artist...
You know how long Alkaline do an interview?
No,
You
the
can-
artist
you
did
can
an
get
interview
one
and a
kick,
film thing there, but hear what me I said to you. We talk facts.
You can't talk.
That's
Facts
how we
are not
fuck.
feelings.
Alright.
Right.
No, but, alright. That's
It's
what
none
I'm
of
saying when we talk about numbers.
your artist album. In the album where him do, wholesale, new level.
We don't know about the numbers.
Alright, so the
That's
chat
a
has
crime,
say
yeah.
Chronic Law or Massacre.
Chronic Law can't be no king
A
of
massacre we are talking about in alkaline. You know.
Yeah,
No, we just, this, we just,
Alright, before we even get in to who and who, you have to first answer the first question we
Right.
had asked. The
Right.
criteria has to be called.
What is the criteria?
What makes
Me
you think
say-
that's all, yeah?
And them have to be an all-rounder. Them have to have like an album in majority of the fields of music, or at least 5 hits in each field. But me say that means gospel, soul.
Gospel?
You tripping, nigga.
Yeah, but the artists do all of that.
Gospel?
You don't talk about gospel. You don't talk
No,
about
me
gospel.
show you different genres. Look,
How you lead with gospel too? He led with gospel, though.
Beanie Man did have 3 bad gospel songs.
Alright, cool. But that was after him did get the title of King of Dancehall.
No,
Way after.
Way back.
Alright, which gospel
I
song
make him Jay. No, you can't just say Beanie Man over there. Yeah, the shit.
Right.
Beanie Man, what Beanie Man do?
So just say
No.
Just say Beanie Man, right.
No,
That's
but what you
true.
say now?
Come go on the argument.
Let me finish. You have the genres them that the artists hit successfully.
Okay.
You have how long they've been running.
Okay.
And then you have corporate performances that you can get booked for events, for children events and all of that. All of them things they play a factor, you know. Because if you represent your country, you know, you have to can represent it all around, you know. And that's my opinion. Like,
Fair
just
enough.
like how they use Bob Marley as tourism, like they supposed to Ding Dong, for example. If Ding Dong did want to say about King of Dancehall, I would back him. Because this nigga can perform anywhere.
You can't bring Bobby
Come on, man. Why would you say that now? Why we can't have a discussion next week about that? Why you can't say something like that next week, yo?
Just say Beanie and we just
Bro,
move
yo,
on.
big shouts out to Din Don tomorrow night, man.
No, but Cartel is my artist. Cartel is my artist.
It's a cartel then.
But me I tell you the criteria.
Yeah, but cartel I say I'm a king, so just say cartel and just leave what cartel do.
Yeah, man.
One of my criteria is like you have to have a good 10-year run and still consistent. You have to be consistent.
The dog do that.
It's a fair job.
The dog do that. Boss save a boss.
Influence.
Boss save a boss.
Like street influence have to be a thing. Dance influence have to be a thing.
The dog have
I'm
that.
not just talk about Jamaica, America. You think of there Canada, UK large, over the Europe side them, Japan I love dancehall too.
So the
over
dog,
Africa.
the
So you
dog
can't
have
just ban
that.
Jamaica, America,
The dog have that.
New York City and Florida.
The dog
and
have
say a
that.
thing.
So some people in the chat, you know, if you're checking with the chat too, you know, we can't speed past the comment them, you know, because them in tune with the same way, you know.
Yeah, but the
Just
dog,
if it,
the dog meet
one,
all of them criteria.
one above
brother.
all say, if it's 10-year run, then a cartel alone. Because really nobody no run dance here. for
I
that
mean,
long.
cartel, yeah, cartel in
Before cartel, I'm going to be in your bounty.
I'm about
They
to
could
say
have put him as say can go around the
Beanie
world.
and Bounty.
Alright, so,
Yeah,
alright, so this one
And that's not something I discredit no other dancer artist on the try, but
That's a fact.
What Beanie do making outshine Bunty in his music variety is wide. Bunty just stick for poor people music and one
Why,
or two
if
love
you know
song
why?
and in darkness. You know what I mean? When Beanie can go sing for woman them for, without even singing a gun song straight type of, you know what I'm saying?
Bounty got them songs too,
Beanie just
though.
an entertainer. Man.
Well, the chat
That's
saying,
Yeah, Beanie is more of an entertainer than Bounty. That's a fact.
the chat asking how long a man have to be undisputed for them to be the king.
No, that's what I mean. I say, in
Yeah.
terms of consistent. The 10 years is crazy. too.
Yeah, cause we not cut you, but them say the one above say man we are confused king with hot artists, you know, cause he say you have to be undisputed for 10 years. So
Yeah, the 10-year thing is
on top of the chart.
Yeah, you have to.
So basically you don't want to say Drake or King of Dancehall, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, please.
Drake is the number one streamed artist in Jamaica.
Be careful you talk about Jizzy, because Jizzy has to be shoe stream and all that. So.
Nah, yo,
that's the
if we
next
gonna
thing
talk
we're
about
gonna
some,
talk
you wanna talk about
about.
some bullshit?
Yeah.
Yo, you think that shit true that Drake was leaking the shit about him and LeBron?
We don't reach this yet. We don't reach this
I'm about to say something,
Where's the
cuz.
dancehall topic?
But
first,
no,
guys?
Alright,
in terms
sir.
of the king thing, you act like. Would I see the king like, yeah, what me see the king thing now? You have, the reason why we do the 10-year thing, you have to have eras. There's eras of dancehall.
You know, sir.
Dancehall always evolve and dancehall always change. Dancehall never stay the same between a 5 and a 10-year period.
You have to leave your
There's
mark.
going to be a change. You see me I say? So whatever and whoever contribute to that change there, and however them go on for that next 10 years there, they're the king of that.
Alright. Mama
so I
said
feel
something
like
to
the
you.
kingship should be like a 10-year era.
So
Drake is the #1 stream artist in Jamaica right now.
Where your artists do?
It's a fact.
What people want.
Check the numbers. It's a fact.
No, wait.
Voilà.
Who you say about? Who you think about?
No, we know your artists, we never calling them, but where your artists do make people want to come? I say Alkaline tattoo my people want to tattoo him high. Them high, so that's what I mean.
That was the year, that was the era. Watch out.
But that's what
I'm gonna answer that. That was the era of, remember say yo, Alkaline is almost a split image of Cartel.
Yeah, me know that. But if not,
no, listen to me man, come me no, I mean, listen to me follow
the chat attack, we have to talk to the chat too, they might talk with you and agree now. So, above, and say one above all, how we agree with Bucky him attack in a forward ground. So you agree with you, say you attack some facts, you know. But why that exactly? Because up in earlier, him say 10-year-old for Cartel, we say that, we say that, and another Lion aka Starbucks say 20-year Cartel, 2 for Chronic Law.
Chronic Law only for work for you.
Chronic Law does Chronic Law and
so hold on, if we are talking about King of Dance,
that's how we try to break it down the era. But me and him still just have a little dispute returns because he was, you know what I'm saying, we are talking about Alkaline and Massacre. But in terms of the general conversation, we still not really state a king like you must say King of Dancer, the current King of Dancer. I disagree with that.
No, the current King of Dancer right now. I'm going to say Cartel. But to me...
Magnum King and Queen.
You can't do that. Cartel is a King of Dancer.
Scatter who's the king.
No, Cartel is the king, man.
Cartel is the king.
Cartel is the
One of the King of Dancer.
A many king?
Yeah, there's multiple kings. So we have to say after Yellow Man and them man,
we not talking. You talk about.
You have 2 King of Dancer right now?
No. You talk about the current king.
No, that's what I'm trying to explain.
Right now, currently. That's what you say. That's what you say, right?
Yeah.
All right. So yes.
I mean, disagree with that.
No,
you can't say that. You can't say Cartel is one of the kings of dance.
Right now, his title has not been taken from him from anyone.
Exactly. So he is the king of dance right now.
We change it.
That's a different conversation.
I feel like if we change it to, because everybody have them own title and make them worth it, he should just be called himself Dancer Undisputed.
No.
If it does give him a title, yes.
Yeah, they give that their own title. Dancer Undisputed because he is. If being the man want to be the king.
Yeah, but the man say my king, so you have to just give him king. You can't say
I know him give my people him call it so.
Yeah.
But him say my king too.
Him not discredit saying that the work that they do.
Yeah, listen.
Yo, I feel like it made the most sense when you niggas said that nobody has taken the throne from him.
And that's what I'm saying. That's a different conversation, though. If he
feels that's fine. That's another conversation.
When him lock off your look, man, and then him fall off your look.
No, but who? All right. So I'm gonna pose a question. While he was away, who would have gotten that title?
Alkaline.
Poppy have a run up.
Alkaline or Massacre?
Poppy have a run up. Alkaline have a run up.
Poppy, yes. Yes. Out of them 3, them the top 3 right there.
No, let me tell you. Popcorn was working, but he never was like.
You're crazy.
But
you're crazy. Not trying to do him things.
But the artist killed Popcorn.
Gummy had a run, but it was not long enough to be calling him.
It wasn't long enough.
It wasn't long enough, yo. Gummy was.
Hold on. Remember say the artist killed Alkaline in a clash, you know. In Popcorn in a clash, you know.
Oh.
Microwave.
Oh shit.
Oh.
Yeah,
we never call name, you know.
I agree with that.
So him over Popcorn.
I agree with that, right? That still no means say, Alkaline as current as Bumbuckler Poppy right now, brother. As much as Alkaline a tour, you know.
Yeah, man.
The chat.
Right now, the last previous Bumbuckler, Alkaline on jump. Alkaline on jump, Bumbuckler good tune till he jump the last girl tune after.
Yo, you ever hear the wickedest inch? The wickedest inch of your song yet? Go over here to you.
Brother.
Eh?
Go on.
Alkaline fan, I look on the brother. So all an argument we bring. Me don't know where you talk about, because you don't listen to Alkaline like me, brother.
Yeah, everybody come shine. Everybody come, yeah.
Me I tell you that.
Hey.
So, let me tell you this. It's when it comes down to... It's when it comes down to the current, brother. Yes, Alkaline, I got have a run up, but when it comes down to Alkaline and Popcorn now, yeah, in private with
Just get to the point. Get to the point where you want to get to.
Wait.
Check the chat.
Everybody in the chat right now.
Ask the chat.
For who just joined in, we have to ask them to drop a like on the video and jump in with 2 cents. We Bucky say, we're not side with beans or not side with
current King of Dance before Cartel found out, Alkaline, Massacre, or Popcorn. We need one more.
Who you say?
Or who y'all say? Who the chat say?
Yeah, what else?
I say the same 3. I say it's the top 3. I say I agree.
You say Alkaline, Massacre, Popcorn?
Yes, I agree.
That's not don't watch the order. It's just them 3 up for the top.
Right, just for the show.
One and above.
Somebody said Chronic Law.
And somebody said
no,
Chronic
Law.
Yeah, he ain't been out long enough. He ain't been out long enough.
Chronic Law have the ground right now, so them brother right now, watch him.
Guys, so we have somebody one and above. One above all, sorry, say.
So
then as so much king in the little kingdom, so quick, una get kingship more often than election round.
The world big. Big chat, but the world big, brother. And here, there's a lot of fans out here.
Yeah.
As Mr. Dance and stuff, and Jamaica, America.
That's a fact. That's a fact.
No, alright, but it come down to how long? Because
we are going to 10 years.
10 years. Then none of them are...
Nobody. 10 years is a long time, yo.
But those are one of the criteria, because you have to have hits. And you have to have some type of influence.
For 10 years.
What is a major worldwide influence?
But so if I say I'm going to add ding dong to that. Because ding dong been relevant since Cartel.
From the 90s.
And Iron Dance them been around the place.
Good catch.
And ding dong can perform in here. So
Ding dong do the album. Do it album?
We need
an album more time. We need an album.
We need an album, yeah.
But that's a good.
But if it's about influence, we've been relevant.
Yeah, but him have one partner that kept together, like the influence. That's it.
I'm about to say.
If he did a compilation,
Name me 3 Ding Dong girl tunes. Name me 3 Ding Dong girl tunes.
Girl's Story.
yeah.
Him have hits, man.
He said girl tune.
Oh, he got hits. I ain't gonna take away from that.
I don't know. No, girl tune. I must have dancing song him do. But Girl's Story was the younger
We
one.
said that King of Dance Hall represent. You can hit every part of that. Give me some crossover songs that Ding Dong's done.
All of them? What do you mean crossover? Yeah.
Like to anybody else besides just a dancehall song.
I mean,
him did that one with the African beat.
No, and
I mean, it's still dancing.
I would say all that ding dong song them are crossover songs.
I'm only saying this because
I think now all the songs are crossover because
to put him in that.
Because all them songs is actually teaching you movement. So it's transitional.
So in his own form, he is a king of dance, but is he a dance hall king?
Dance is dance hall.
That's true.
Dance is dance hall. But does that make you a dance hall king though?
That's true.
Yeah, here comes another criteria.
He can't make an attempt for run.
Watch
if you want to.
He can't.
People that back him.
Watch out, here comes another criteria. When me I go shut up him over there so with the Alkaline story.
Yeah, watch the hand player. Pull off the hand player. Pull off the hand player, man. Pull off the hand player. Go off the hand player, man. Yo, easy, man. Easy. Come on with the hand player, man.
Alright, hold on. Alright. You see, alright.
Switch the camera upon him, brother. Switch the camera upon him.
No, you have to inna the
You're bucking the sense of that.
No, I'm good.
You don't want to see it.
You have to inna the you have to there on the ground inna the dance hall. You have to there inna the dance hall, cause it's called dance hall. So if you not show your face in the dance hall, you can't be a dance hall, brother. You have to there on the ground. You can't be what you think you're some president.
You're artist upon the ground. You're artist upon the ground more than you're artist upon the ground more.
What?
Don't start saying white.
We just shell Clarendon. What y'all talk about? I want the bomb buckler in over there.
Bro, you gonna sit down or what?
Whoa!
We just shell Clarendon. Yeah, I want new rules I keep next. I think I over Toronto to blood clot. Alkaline now go ground, brother.
Alright, so
Alkaline a big artist, but him not touch the ground, brother.
someone said I'm a
You know that
DJ.
song?
Yeah, that's
I hear
true.
Chronic
But
Law
him a
lyrics
thing out
fire.
Yeah.
We're talking about current, right? Like NBA, it's Cartel,
Yeah.
Massacre, Popcorn.
No, I
One
can't.
above I'll say a consistent and
Yeah, them are here for the youth.
consistency
The
and
youth.
longevity.
Yeah.
Hold the kingship. Ding Dong a good artist, but just like Neymar with Messi or Ronaldo, him career go on when Cartel debut. So Ding Dong now for mention.
Oh God.
Yikes.
Oh God.
Someone said Alkaline bad, but right now him flip flop.
Yeah, him, right, and now job consistent. I mean, don't need consistent hits, you know. We
Yeah,
don't
bad
need
man,
consistent hits.
Yeah,
It's
like-
just,
They said they want to
yeah,
call in.
bad artist, yo,
We
Alkaline.
don't got the call in feature right now yet.
Yo, no,
They said they want to call in right now. The chat said they want to call in.
If you're in the chat and you want to call in, if you have anybody number on the set, just call them. And we make a talk on the talk of phone.
Now, so, yeah, can we keep put it to the top?
Yeah, if you have anybody number, just call in.
But with the current thing now and with the alkaline thing now, as me say, after in the dance hall, I'm gonna need a job consistent hits, but you need fear job hits. And you need fear job.
When you say
not-
consistent hits, how consistent?
That's what I say. You don't have to be a massacre. You don't have to be a chronic club.
No.
You don't have to job 12 tune a week. You see me I say? Or you don't have to job. If you
But I
job
mean,
5
that's what
tune-
Cartel's doing.
Me not go to my cartel. You don't have to be a cartel, brother. You see what I'm saying? But you can't. First of all, yo, Alkaline interview them, and some of the wickedest interview them. Just like cartel. You see when you hear a good somebody a good interview cartel, you really want to tune in because you know so you have to get some knowledge. And cartel are gonna talk some shit. That nigga Alkaline,
That's the thing there, man.
he's a good like the fans they miss that. Him nah get fans
Him not interrupt with the I just that the foot with that.
I don't get me wrong.
You feel like he's a celebrity
we need
now?
a call, you know?
You feel like he on some celebrity shit now?
Yeah, he right now Alkaline Americanized brother.
Right now,
Big man
Alkaline paranoid.
That too, but you want only you're rich. So you need for job security
You know
of
who-
ground.
The dog is
thought would have had the real
Wait, the dog
order?
have something more come on. The dog is
If him never get injured, I think Ragging King would have been a good one.
Trouble.
Yeah,
Rising King. Yeah, he was on the rise.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, he
get
was.
Too much trouble.
Yeah, trouble there for trouble.
You get too much trouble. That's why I'm in that situation.
Good.
Yeah, I didn't even think about that. I didn't even think about that, yo.
As big as the dancehall is, yo, a whole heap of, as much as a whole heap of artists say,
My man
king
said,
shit.
Lion take cook.
No, yo, you wanna know? I want to know if Alkaline,
Yeah, it's all the people who are cartel fans, you know. I swear.
Let's see if
I got
Alkaline
no fans in
really
the
know what
chat.
him start on himself. That nigga could act like that nigga could roll like Drake. Yeah.
Wildlife, man.
Drake.
All right.
Wildlife.
I heard
Yes, me, I
an interview. Somebody was talking about it, but they were saying if you're gonna use those criterias, why is it that Sean Paul or Shaggy never get the title?
Oh, Sean Paul definitely got his big heart. He was a king of dancehall.
Quick argument with
And you know what? Keep it real, yo. Sean Paul is still a king of dancehall, yo.
No, yeah, man.
Bro, Sean Paul does not make hits. He make
man.
different genres.
We'll get a youth.
He make different genres.
We'll get a youth.
Yeah.
He make different genres.
We'll get a youth. We'd never give Sean Paul or Shaggy the king.
Yeah, me never.
Wait.
No, we'll get a youth. Real Jamaican. Real Jamaican.
I respect that.
Real Jamaican.
I respect that, but we're going off of the criteria that they gave. The criteria that they gave.
Exactly. Me as a real Jamaican, I would have said why not. So because he's not from the ghetto,
No.
he does not deserve
He's
it.
Jamaican. He's Jamaican, but that's not. Him no.
When it comes to Sean Paul and Shaggy, what are they? Him no fit it, you know. Him
Because he's not from the ghetto.
No, but this not
Alkaline
when it comes to Sean Paul and
Fair
Shaggy.
So in a matter.
No, but him-
Jamaica respect them fully. Because they put Jamaica out.
Yeah, and that's
Just like back. So
Yeah.
they like said the ghetto youth now go respect them if they
Yeah,
put
but
on
them
they might
not
get the
really-
support. But they must say Jamaica is all about being authentic and being raw. Them not really push that side of Jamaica unless you know them personally.
Yep.
But when it's come time to perform, they go more the corporate thing.
Sure,
You know what I mean?
straight.
So when you talk about they make reggae music known, they represent it well.
Put it out there.
Well, but when it comes to dance hall,
they are dancehall pioneers, I would say.
They are reggae music pioneers.
I was going to say,
No, because Sean Paul in the early 2000s, 90s, I would have said him.
It was some bangers that came out there.
and them tune they where they come from him. Because alright, in the same way me that say Super Cat, him and Sean Paul kinda, even though alright, Super Cat was more of a ghetto, him come up from the ghetto. But I would say that the two of them get Americanized, the two of them come up with certain songs where they raw in a dance hall.
When you watch the chat, now this chat I give us some good feedback, you know. Chat I give us some
Yeah, what? Chat, me have to go leave, you know, cause taxi time. It's my time now. No, man, I have to leave. I have to leave.
Yeah, the chat said that.
Yeah, Tommy Lee.
Tommy Lee.
Yeah.
I can't say he a king. I can't put Tommy Lee in.
One type of music.
Yeah.
If we gonna put in Tommy, you're gonna call squash and all the money.
I'm about to say, yeah. If that's the case, it's a bunch of different people you could throw in there if you're gonna say Tommy Lee.
Yeah. Tommy Lee. Nah, I don't think Tommy Lee. No. Tommy Lee still has some work for them. Yeah. Cause Tommy Lee, they have a wicked influence too.
And Tommy Lee been out for a long time, yo. He been dropping music for a while.
I hear for this, He's not as consistent as he's supposed to be, brother. He never have a bad piece around, but the consistency when he's supposed to drop.
Alright, somebody said Sean and Shaggy did have the place away, but that is like him from JA voting for Burna Boy to be the king of Afrobeats. Because they don't know what is going on in Jamaica in the same way that we don't know what's going on in Africa.
I get that. And I get that.
Yes,
I get that. But once again, I'm saying that I'm going off of the criteria that y'all set for Dancehall King. Now, I can agree with you and say that they are not, that Sean Paul and Shaggy can't say that they kings of dancehall, but they have, I'm trying to think of a better term for them. Like, they push reggae music out there. They definitely still have hits to this day. Just they might not be dancehall hits, but they definitely still come out with hits to this day with other genres.
Be dropping dancehall hits again.
Huh?
You tune off your playing a dancehall.
Yeah, for it to be considered.
You tune off your playing a
dancehall king.
Yeah, and that's what I said. I won't give them that label. I won't give them that label. I'm trying to think of a label for them though. Pioneer, maybe it is pioneers, because I don't know.
They are, to me, in my opinion, I would consider them a pioneer. Because, to be honest, I don't think they're worried about the kingship. I don't think
they really care. I think they know
don't really care. So that's why I'm not saying they don't deserve it. It's just like if they're not,
they wouldn't fight for that.
Yeah, their money is on another level anyways.
Yeah. Them niggas rich.
Yeah.
Them niggas rich.
Them niggas is rich, rich.
But, as I said, for right now, because I'm frost, I go stick with the alkaline and the massacre and the popcorn for run out. Is it me I say?
All right, so I'm gonna take it away from the subject real quick, yo.
I'm only not agreeing, including Cartel, because if he's saying nobody threw his shit,
that means
that's a different conversation.
That's a fact. I agree.
But I feel like we still would have to pick a current king and make it.
It's one of them three.
Yeah, and then be like, all right, compare those two runs from the person that get bust until on Cartel run. Is it me I say? So I feel like that's how we would have to do it. But
speaking of artists, now I heard you guys talking about it earlier, but Drake versus the People.
Hold on, before we go there, because I wanted to say something about what he was saying about the.
Don't forget, sorry, before we switch out, remember we gotta close out with the chat when we switching topics, just so we get everybody points out. Hit it. I'll let you do it.
Okay, I want to say.
My bad.
I want to take it to an American side of things with it. If we.
The chat.
Yeah, I'm saying it's still on the same. So I'm still on. I'm with you, bro. Somebody who consistently put out hits and everything, yo, we can't say king of dance or somebody that's a king of music that's accepted everywhere. Snoop Dogg.
No.
So you reach up everywhere?
Snoop Dogg personality is accepted everywhere.
You don't think that Cartel is somebody that's accepted everywhere?
His music is too. You can't use one Snoop Dogg song and fuck up one party everywhere.
I feel like Snoop Dogg. It's mad Snoop Dogg songs that can fuck up a party, yo.
You can.
It's mad Snoop Dogg.
You can, but me not reach a Snoop Dogg, reach over so.
I'm just saying as far as kings of their art. Kings of their art, man.
Okay,
I'm just taking to the Memphis.
So, no, chat, big up on yourself. Who just put white? Yeah, man. But I start saying white, don't look off the stove. Oh, time. Kitchen and wash off your clothes.
So, one of us say, if it's 4 king in 10 years. No, them just saying, like, who them would have put up against each other.
Yeah, for the 10-year run. And that was just one of the criteria. But to be a true kingship, you have to have a good true 10-year run. That's one of the major criteria with the Live Vibes team I put out there. And then have to have consistent hits. You know what I'm saying? Not consistent hits, but somewhat of consistent hits. Or, consistent in the dancehall and hits. You know what I'm saying?
Moscow definitely got it.
Afia make money. You see me? I say Afia too. And we have to see a obvious change in not only your songs and with everything, but you have to have improvement overall in terms of songs, deliveries, music quality, music deliveries, performance. Woo, we ain't get there. You have to be able to entertain the people.
That's it.
When you get called up on a stage, you have to be able to entertain your people. You can't. Your song just should be able to just a shell dance and get money pull up.
What did you say?
You see, you're my first dance, so you have to help me. The shot I got translate, but come on,
What did he say?
Chat, you see what me a beat.
Oh, please.
But,
what you were saying? Come on, man. Nah, you done. You're done. What you were saying?
The chat run out to the debate.
Okay, but before I move on, what I want to know is, do you think that international artist features should be a criteria as well?
Yes.
I agree, yes.
Because that's what this culture crossing over.
Yes.
Yeah. But not necessarily, because 10 years is crazy.
Right, alright, but if you compare
10 years
those
is
three,
crazy.
which one of them have the
biggest crossover?
Yeah.
Out of Massacre, Alkaline, and who else we said?
Popcorn.
And Chronic Love.
Popcorn got it.
Popcorn got the most and the
Popcorn got the best.
Yeah, I was
the most and the best.
even saying right now, but yeah. Moments are my favorite tune, but I can't really name the Popcorn crossover there. I know he do though.
Popcorn crossover with damn near almost everybody.
Yeah.
That's true. Yeah.
Yeah, he got mad hip hop artists that he crosses.
And he got Afrobeat artists.
Yep.
Yeah.
English artists.
Yeah.
That would be a major criteria.
He was one of the
I
original
don't think
ones
it has
playing
to be.
Davido.
I don't think it has to
He
be
was one of the
necessary.
There's
original.
a whole album with him.
Yeah, he did. He did do a whole album with him. You're right.
With who?
With Davido.
Oh yeah, true.
I don't think it's a necessary. I don't think that's unnecessary. That could be one of the the lower criteria. That's not a must because 10 years that's a stretch. Like 15
They say
years.
how does Massacre influence dancehall culture? He's no king yet. That's Jordan Johnson.
What you mean? So why is so Popcorn get it?
Yo, chat. Make careful when I'm doing that.
No. I'm gonna listen. But that's them narrowing the criteria. You know what I'm saying? That's them narrowing the criteria because
that's their criteria. That's their criteria. They're not narrowing it. That's just their criteria for dancehall.
Just like that, saying Popcorn. Please, we
that's just them saying
like
Popcorn.
the video itself, like the live too, and share it.
And shouts out to the VYBZ squad. Some people don't watch it live, but they go back and watch it the vid. So shouts out to that.
Somebody else said, who be bad in the clash? Who you think will win in the clash?
Between who and who?
Between the
all
artists
three.
them.
All three of them.
Because now that clash culture.
Yeah,
that's a big one in
that's real. We didn't even think about that. That's real.
All right, so.
Yeah, me I say.
Go on.
You see, if it's a clash where we have to, if a stage clash, Popcorn will win.
Yeah, mad.
But if a clash where tune for tune.
Massacre.
Massacre, because you have to go sit down and listen. But if a stage clash, Popcorn have the vibes, if you do them all, get out the punchlines quick.
Popcorn been out longer too, though.
Yeah, but also
Massacre is more technical, bro. Massacre
but I'm saying Popcorn got more music. His catalog is way more extensive than when
Massacre come from Cartel Camp.
Exactly.
Yo. I'm talking about that part. Yo, DJ, them now I'm talking to that. Them now I'm talking to that. I want to bumbo cloud of them dog. You know what I'm telling the dog.
Alright.
Popcorn is a bad artist. But right now, kick off him face wicked, you know. Make him have to show her brave and show after that. Me feel say right now, they kick off him face, you know. So I don't think the stage show thing and the the only platoon and that make no sense to come out to clash for a stage show.
Chat say come down now, boss.
Me you come down now, man.
Stage clash.
Stage clash. What, nigga? Come on, bro. You tripping, nigga. You tripping, bro. Yo, a true artist, brother.
Lyrical,
freestyle. Yo, don't get me wrong,
like how Kendrick and Drake go tune for tune on the radio. Massacre would have probably do that.
But remember, say that's a new thing, you know. That's
but if up on stage,
that is a dancehall, yeah.
Dancehall at the dip on stage.
Massacre wouldn't be able to compete with Popcorn still, yo.
I feel like he could.
Tune for tune?
It would be a good class. Yo,
tune
right
for tune?
Yo.
Popcorn's catalog is so much more extensive than what Massacre's is, yo.
But look at the quality of it. Like, you can say how much Clash song Massacre have versus Popcorn.
Current's a kick.
Like you said,
remember
he got cartel shit when he was with cartel shit too.
Yeah, but barely Clash songs. I didn't know the girl tune.
What you know about current a kick?
Listen, man.
What you know about current a kick? Please surrender quick. Oh, the bumbo clock, you dog. Yo, be yourself, dog.
Yo.
What you know about police?
Listen, man.
Right,
listen.
Yo.
That would be a very...
This is a different discussion, yo.
Yeah, we're going to do a part 2 on the dancehall, topic of...
Nah, that would be a great class.
We'll fix that one here.
I can't give you an answer to that one, honestly. Because I honestly be biased until that moment they forward. I would have watched the clash there very excitedly and very unbiasedly.
Excitedly is a real. Excitedly is a different one.
Whoever followed victorious.
Alright, we done.
Yeah,
we done.
What
you were saying about your boy Drake, yo?
Drake wildin', man. Drake wildin', man.
That's your peoples, yo. You in academics, yo, right?
Nah.
That's your boys, right?
Yo, relax, Jay. Yo. You wildin'.
Oh my goodness.
We don't know what academics do, you know. But you just be hating every time.
That was hate.
Always be hating, bro.
Fuck academics.
Yo, I feel like academics take what they get, let me know. Yo, why you stole one of my boys' girls, man?
You really support this nigga,
He
son?
could have never.
Yo, act. I'm a boy. But, Drake, though. Drake, though.
What happened?
I don't know.
Put him before the court, cause
that nigga, yo.
Blacklist for today.
Yo, if we never think me do want G there,
Yo, how true is the shit, though, yo? That shit that he leaked?
No, he posted it, but no, he really going at his label, though.
Honestly, no.
Drake is mad.
I've been hearing some of his songs, like people been playing back his songs, and he's been sounding very what would I say? I don't want to get sued for defamation.
I doubt it. He's doing the people, basically.
Yeah,
anybody that was doing it, any content creators that was doing the shit.
His songs are sounding, now that I'm sitting down and listening to the lyrics, they're sounding very suspicious.
Oh yeah.
Very suspicious.
His shit. Kendrick pointed out on a long time ago.
When they made them clips on TikTok and shit, that shit was lit. I ain't gonna lie.
Mm-hmm.
You know, I ain't gonna lie. Them shit.
It made you listen to that shit differently.
But
so when you get me updated to do the work,
so he's suing so he's really not suing the streamers, because don't get him wrong, the streamers who really made content off of that shit during that time, I heard that it was a 1 week period where the streamers banked. If you made a video about reacted to Not Like Us, your shit it went up. Your shit went up. And what Drake is saying during that time, you know, allegedly, I don't really know him, you know. Yeah, I listened to it from a few reactors or a few YouTubers. Anyways, I guess his label and shit didn't block or monetize that shit. So, you know what I'm saying? So the streamers
allowed it. They
allowed that shit for at least a week or two or some shit. And that shit obviously went up. You know what I mean? But I think the gist is, if I'm not mistaken,
you want to vouch for this nigga?
No, I'm saying ain't them niggas a part of the same label?
They part of the same distribution.
Yeah. So what? So now what I hear the label is saying allegedly is, nigga, we did the same shit for what you did, what we did for your song, we did for Not Like Us. It's up to you and the masses to really gravitate to that shit. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, he ain't got no
Because
case,
me
yo.
personally, I think niggas reacting to that shit. Yeah, a lot of these streamers are not true music lovers. They don't listen to music every day. But obviously, yeah, their fans are true music lovers, nigga. And their fans respect them for being authentic and truthful to them as a fan. So when they're listening to music, the fans are listening to the music too. So if he's capping on his reaction, the fans are gonna be like, nah, nigga, they know, because they watch this nigga 24/7 or these niggas 24/7. So they know when these niggas is really making up a story or trying to clickbait, or if they're talking bias, if they know, if like Act. When niggas listen to Act, they know when he say certain shit about Drake, they know if he's just being for the argument or he just being biased for Drake. You know what I'm saying? So this nigga's stupid. So when it comes down to the stream of them, I don't think it's really that. Cause streamers definitely help songs, nigga. We in the streaming era, bro. If that's not the case, why is this nigga Drake going on all these niggas' streams? Why he going on these niggas' streams?
I mean, because that's the era now.
That's what I'm saying. I don't think he's really mad at that. I feel like he's just using that as one of the guns for the trial. But the overall trial to me, I ain't want to go. That's a bitch move, man. I'm sorry. Because in a clash, though, bro, just take the L and go, bro. Because your career now go dead after a clash. Like, that doesn't necessarily mean you're going to flop. It just you for be consistent after that. And I guarantee that Drake gained a lot of fans, or a lot of fans, Kendrick fans respect. Even if he ain't gained them as a fan, he probably gained some respect or gained some listening ear based off of the disses that he sent to Kendrick. But it's just up to him.
Yeah,
just take the L.
I feel like the clash, even the whole popularity of Not Like Us has left even black culture, even rap culture. It's out there. Everybody is singing Not Like Us, and like I feel Drake just feel a way about it.
I heard Drake Jay best friend said Drake probably haven't got the true impact of what Not Like Us could do in terms of not having to hear it around his surrounding when he go out, because wherever he go, they ain't gonna play that shit. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Not to say he don't know what the song is or what the song sound like, but the true impact of the mass, he probably ain't never got that before. So
that nigga hear that shit
when he really hear when he hear Twitters and shit, and he really see these reactions, he be like, damn, is this shit really popping like that? Like, you know what I'm saying? But this shit is really being played out here.
When he's scrolling through TikTok and shit.
Yeah.
Everybody.
Everybody
White,
on
black,
that shit.
Indian, Chinese, everything.
Yeah, so I mean, but I agree with the overall move, because if you're in a clash and you lose that clash, brother, it's either you shot, like take the first round, call it a first round, or just take a all round L and be like, all right, nigga, do your thing, and just don't stop doing music. Yeah. Drop music and let your fans decide if, like, all right, nigga,
his music ain't been hitting like he used to.
Wait a little bit.
His music ain't been hitting like he
ain't gonna give you too much views. Yeah, let him rain a little bit, or then fall back for second round. Diss him again. You know what I'm saying? But don't take the L and then just stop dropping music.
I think it was you mentioning it, Gallus, about how it happened between 50 and Ja Rule.
Somebody else said that earlier too. What he said? Let me hear what you said about it. You remember what you said about it?
About what?
With
Was
50
it
and
you
Ja
or
Rule.
was it you?
Nah, I didn't say it. Somebody said it to me earlier was talking about it.
Yeah, Ja Rule and 50 Cent. They had their clash, but Ja Rule, even though him take the L, him still never stop music. Yeah.
You gotta stay consistent. If you love, that's especially if you love the music.
That was our discussion. Yeah, Ja Rule didn't stop. He just cried more. He sung more.
Well, me tell you that shit now. But yeah, hit us with those questions so we get.
So you think Kendrick could be a consistent artist?
Could be a consistent.
He has so far.
He is a consistent.
He has been so far.
I mean, so Kendrick play often in a dance?
I mean, yeah. Now
What?
they not
Nowadays.
like us. Play everywhere.
Nowadays, not as much as Drake though. That's why I feel like Drake is wilder because Kendrick just start. If my opinion, Kendrick song just start play back in a dance because I cuss. Unless you're a Kendrick
I don't
fan.
know. Kendrick got some songs that I play at early in the dance too, yeah.
All right, name two of them. Yeah, just like dancehall. Just like dancehall. Yep. You gotta be. It's not as much current in the clubs. You still gotta go out too. Get your bodyguards and go out, nigga. Fuck it. You gotta be in the clubs. Your shit gotta be playing in the clubs. What you talking about?
Yo, what about the rumors that Drake was exposing LeBron and D'Angelo Russell?
I ain't really tapping into that. I don't know about that. Y'all gotta let me know about that.
They said that he was ratting on LeBron, saying that they was picking up hoes together.
Who?
Him and LeBron and D'Angelo
Drake and
Russell.
LeBron?
Yep.
But
Damn.
At the end of the day, bro.
And that's crazy because LeBron married, right?
Exactly.
No, we don't know about that.
Yes, true.
He is married.
Oh,
Yes.
So what I'm not gonna like Drake now.
What you mean?
Anyway.
No, why you say that? What you say, we snitching?
But anyway.
That nigga is married.
That's something you're supposed to inform, pan.
But you see, I feel like...
You don't feel I get catch, pussy. Yeah, idiot.
You know, I care about that though.
Nigga married, bro.
But anyway, I feel like them thing there. It's not no given that, because what do celebrities do when they hang out? Especially if you go to places like the strip club and shit like that.
Bro, but they
You
nobody
get married and still do your thing.
Who exposes that to the public though?
Yeah, I mean, Drake really did that though, like on some.
That's rumored. I don't know how true it is, yo. I keep seeing stuff about it though. I will say that.
Yeah, I fall back for that.
Damn.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
right.
Drake is on a. So all right, is it possible to say? Is it okay to say Drake crashing out real quick?
I mean, ever since They Not Like Us started popping, he been crashing out.
Well,
damn, what was the chat?
Give me a sec.
Damn.
Remember.
So what he gonna do after the Super Bowl?
Remember, Canada is soon become a U.S. state.
Oh man, here we
the
go.
Canadian them don't even want
Here we
Drake
go.
no more.
So be
Please.
careful.
They
Don't
don't.
send them white boy over here.
They want to be able to play They Not Like Us without consequence.
Damn. Yeah, that's probably true.
Yeah. So Dr. So.
What's good, man?
Hit us with those questions real quick.
Oh yeah, man.
Yeah,
Reddit.
Chat. Yeah, because chat, we got some interesting questions for you. We wanna
Yo,
see
chat, shout out yourselves, man.
Yeah, I've been late. We want to see
Yo, chat.
perspective and point of view on these
I'm
questions
gonna look.
because these some funny ass shit to me.
McLean?
At least.
All right, so damn, let me see. Oh, okay, all right. So what's the most? We was looking at like, what's the most hurtful thing that somebody ever said to you? Chat, what's the most hurtful thing that somebody ever said to you, or you heard somebody say to somebody else? You was like, damn, that shit sound crazy, yo. Like, damn.
What's the most what?
Hurtful thing that somebody ever said to you.
Oh.
Or you heard somebody say to somebody else, you was like, I heard somebody at work tell somebody to go kill themselves the other day. That shit was crazy, yo. I ain't gonna lie. They told,
I don't want to laugh.
he was like, yo, you rude, you lazy, and you should go kill yourself. We was
Damn.
like, oh.
No.
Damn.
That shit was fucked up. Yo, that shit was fucked
That's diabolical, bro. What the fuck?
Right, that shit was crazy.
God damn.
They gonna pay for his therapy?
Yeah, that
He was
really
talking to
Jesus.
some old lady. He's old too, though, but it was funny. That shit was funny as a bitch.
Damn. So why he didn't just say, yo, let's go leave out there and sit this quick? He should just say quick.
Bruh, he was bad, yo. And he was
Damn.
crashing out. He be crashing out.
Damn, that sounds like a crash out.
Any
Good question. I don't know.
No, that really happened.
That was a real story, nigga.
Oh yeah, I'm ready. Yeah, I got you. Somebody said you're too ugly for this industry. That was when they tried to be a hairdresser.
Damn. That's fucked up. Damn. So cause yo, if you go out downtown yo, wanna know me, I love my downtown ladies then. If we go downtown, some of them here just say it's not some of the cutest, but them ear fire, nigga. And so they do some of the best shit.
It be the niggas that got
but
locks
hey,
that
that's
get
just me as a Jamaican.
It be
Bro,
niggas that got
me?
locks that be giving good haircuts sometimes, yo.
You say what?
Niggas that be having locks that be giving the best haircuts sometimes, yo.
No, but no,
Like,
I don't think
that-
my barber can be a ras. I don't think my barber can be a ras at all. Yeah, no, my barber can't be a ras.
I have struggled for years.
Let's talk about it. Real quick. Yo, die. Put that. You must say Rasta Baba. You trust a Rasta Baba? I'm sorry. Shout out to Jenda, the barber. Shout out to Chuckstar. Yeah. But me not trust no Rasta Baba. I swear. No, brother.
I know a few of them.
You know? Them bad?
Yeah.
Them bad naturally?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
All right, man, I take a word for it. Shout out to them. Me personally,
I don't
know none.
You don't know any?
And I wouldn't trust none personally in my ear. Because only you that trust a ras, unless me really a try ras, and the man say, oh, me show you off it. If you not treat you here. But
I
no,
suppose them used to be a baller than them ras.
that different, but I still not trust it because it depends on how long he's turn Rasta now, because that's suppose him fully converted. him should have married share. So he might do that share now, man. That not sound right. That need to be studied. But we're not going to talk about
this. I agree with my friend. I have a point.
Shout out to the Rasta Baba. You see me? I say shout out to the Rasta Baba. But
another one was I had struggled for years with infertility. At my dad's funeral, my sister said, I bet you feel bad that you could never give him any grandkids like I could.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, that's fucked up. At a funeral. At the funeral.
Yo, that's terrible.
At the funeral.
Yo, where you get these questions, bro?
Bruh, this really people's lives.
No, but honestly, I feel like
I
Jamaican
don't know.
disses on a regular basis are harsher than that.
Bro, y'all be having regular conversations that be sounding disrespectful as fuck. son.
Yeah. No, because you can imagine you're talking to somebody and they just tell you for God dig up your mother with dead.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
And they do that on
I
a
know
regular
ideas
basis.
is crazy because you suck my joke right now.
That's crazy.
It's different.
No respect for the day.
One time you really gotta respect that shit, but it's the wine season. Not wine, the wine era.
One of the other questions I asked was, what's the funniest thing that you know you or somebody else that you knew got arrested for? Anybody ever been arrested before? Y'all been arrested before?
No.
You can't talk. My fault. You can't talk about it. I'm off papers and like 2 more days, yo.
I don't know. Pulled over is a different story.
Was it a good story?
Got some crazy pullover stories.
Oh, God. Give us one.
I don't know, man. Hey, but now I lie. Yo, when we get pulled over, I'm an honest motherfucker.
It's his gun. He got the drugs on him. You that nigga?
Please don't do no.
These is
I'm
his
a bandit.
drugs.
Don't
You
get me
that
on the
nigga?
chat. I bandit. But
yo, what you mean? You an honest
don't
nigga? You
do
get pulled
no
over with
crime and come in my vehicle.
I ain't got no license right now. You that nigga?
No.
So
no.
what do you
If
mean?
you found
I'm an honest
anything
nigga.
you bring, own it. Anything you bring in my vehicle, own it.
All
Don't
right.
shoot nothing on my vehicle.
All right.
You have to do your time, brother. Yeah. I mean, I'm going to tell the officer say your own. Well, me I tell the officer say no, my own. My car was naked. I mean, I tell the officer everything when me put in my car. Anything else, you have to own it, brother. I mean, you see me and say just that, brother. So I just saw me instead. Me is a liar, do it, you know. But me love my life too. But me not gonna make you go make me. You see me and say no. Why
Bro,
me?
you say all of this, you ain't told the story yet. What's going on?
Oh. No, me just say me naturally is a no. Cause me not gonna. Yo. Remember one time?
All right, let me do my question,
remember
man.
one time that we pull over real quick. Yo, the first thing we could say, yo, officer, shit, I ain't do nothing. I just got out of the shower. I'm clean. And that's just my way of saying
I just got out the shower. You told the police you just got out the shower,
Bro,
son?
I was baby panicking. I was like,
Okay, I know you're normally dirty, but it is not a crime.
I was with the jet. No,
it is not a crime
Bro,
to be dirty, but I know you normally are, but you're good.
And it just a life too, you know.
One of the questions that I got or answers I got was their friend slapped a police horse on the ass at Mardi Gras, and he got arrested for assault on a police officer.
You deserve to go to jail. You sound like a pervert.
They was probably drunk at Mardi Gras
You
doing
still a
stupid
pervert,
shit. Yeah, that's
nigga.
wild.
I'm
not thinking of doing
He
that.
lucky that the horse never kick him in the face.
Yeah, that's true, too.
That's
probably what they try to do. You know how people be sometimes. I ain't want to put no with it, but you know how people be sometimes. They be drunk and they be doing stupid shit. They probably want to see somebody a horse kill. Let me see if this really works.
Bring a friend that knows that you like doing that shit and do that shit to them, nigga. So if you know what I'm saying, if you slap them, they might be mad at you, but they ain't gonna get your ass locked the fuck up. You deserve to go to jail, stupid. The fuck?
Somebody else said that my cousin got arrested for shoplifting the Scooby-Doo DVD from Walmart. He was 22 years old.
Yeah.
You can imagine? 22 years old.
It's a grown-ass man.
Why?
It's
You
a
get arrested?
grown-ass man.
Scooby-Doo?
Yo. Why niggas stealing? Yo, first of all, I know at times it's hard, but there's niggas really getting caught on cameras out here. Stealing, bro.
Look at your concern for the community, man.
That shit crazy.
I'm proud of you for that, man.
Yo, hold on. Stealing from a grocery store is crazy, bro. That's diabolical. I'm sorry.
Why is that diabolical?
That is diabolical.
Right
bro,
now.
there's food stamps, bro. If you're that broke, go apply. Don't be that bougie.
What happened to the ones who
There's
don't
dollar
have the
store.
papers to be here?
Huh?
What happened to the ones who
Go on another store. Go on another store. Yo, you know see them TikTok they will show you can make meat from the store. Yo, you know what do I yard? Go buy flour. Go in a Walmart, go buy flour and buy your seasoning and buy your chicken back and your mackerel. Don't because you found that foreign. You think you can flash out? Go buy a flash out. You can buy canned beef and mackerel.
Somebody
said canned beef up here and mackerel up here is more expensive.
Yes, but you wanna know food expensive I had. You see me I say. And you wanna know opportunities there. Don't give them the excuse. Even undocumented people can
immigration,
get jobs.
we don't know where.
To them.
This is alleged stuff, immigration.
It's all alleged.
We're not
It's all alleged.
all alleged.
No man, yeah. People, they are going everywhere with that. Like look upon all the farmer them. You think say just farmer them forward up come do. As a Jamaican, if you're not hustle brother, you're not do nothing, brother. Like
somebody else said my cousin's
Money
ex-husband robbed a Dunkin' Donuts at knife point, and when the cops searched his car after they caught him, they found a bunch of weed and heroin paraphernalia, and that's what he went down for.
Goddamn.
It wasn't even a robbery.
Damn.
Good. Cause why?
Heroin is crazy.
If you have so much drugs, it means you have money.
He was probably high. He had to be high when he did it.
Yeah. Selling and doing your own shit is crazy, bro. You ain't a hustler.
This one was wild right here, yo. This one was wild.
This ain't
Dude got
hustler.
pulled over for driving recklessly while he was beating off in his car on the freeway.
Wow, then. Yo, I just saw a video of a nigga beat up my yard on a bike. Jay, you see it? Ain't Jay? Yo, they done that on a yang, you know. And the man has two of them born naked, you know. Yeah, man.
I just saw a video of someone at the gas
Brawling.
station in Irondequoit where this lady had hit some lady with some bear spray. Had came in there with some bear mace and hit her in the face with the shit at the register. And then when she was at the door at the little corner shit trying to pour milk in her eyes, she had mad, like, her eyes was mad red, mad blood and shit. She tried to pour milk in her eyes, the bitch came and kicked her in the face. I just saw the video before. You saw it? Yeah, she maced her with when she came in there with the bear spray, just holding that shit, sprayed it all in her face, yo.
That's wickedness.
At the gas station on Irondequoit, yo, that shit crazy.
Damn. Yeah, they wild in here, bro. They just robbed it. No, not just, but they definitely robbed it. Dubai over there in the mall.
Yeah, they've been robbing jewelry stores all over. That's some new trend and shit.
Niggas is robbing Wegmans.
Guys, stay safe out there.
Yeah, type shit.
Damn.
But yeah.
Damn. Yo, it is rough out here, bro. But that's crazy. Yo, stop the cat, bro. Niggas need to stop the cat. Live in your lane, bro.
I respect that, yo.
You know, if you can't afford for God, there's nothing wrong in yo, make your one room comfortable.
Priorities.
You know what I'm saying? Like, yo, get this shit together, man. Yo, dance, yo, the club them now going nowhere. Look how long Kenny do it. And still doing it. Yo, shouts out to you, bro. So, don't run on the club. You see me? I said, nah, it's a living testimony. So,
every time,
I'm just saying. If Beansy there, I say the same thing. A long time, them money up on the ground. So, yo, just take care of yourself, people. Focus on uno first. You see me? I say, you know what I mean? The rest you forward. You don't have to be a people person. Make sure your yard clean. Don't go party.
Beard too. I remember when you get pulled over.
Half a beard.
Remember when you confessed to the police.
And make sure you clean.
I remember that shit like today. Because I know I ain't do nothing. I definitely swerved, but I was like, yo, officer, I am definitely clean because I just got out of the shower.
I am clean.
Yo, you know what I had to do? I specifically remember I had a towel around my neck. So I was like, you see? I still got a towel on now. I just got out of the shower.
I don't know what type of excuses.
Bro, I'm sure to God.
It's not a crime.
You got out of the shower and got in the car?
No, I think
That's
I was on
wild,
the way here.
bro. How do you want to know?
I think I was on the way here. I was leaving Gardner, and you know, when I crossed the intersection there's a swerve. So I just didn't want to go over the bump. So I was like, huh. Well, the cop was right at that light. And he's like, so yeah, he got me. So I just wanted to be totally honest, because
that you are normally dirty, but today you are clean.
I am very clean. Yep.
All right, everybody.
So, yo, shout out to the chat, man.
Yeah. This has been VYBZ Friday. Shout out to the chat. Thanks to everybody that's tuning in. Shout out to all the new followers and everybody in the chat. We appreciate you guys. Dr. Sawyer, anybody want to shout out?
Yo, my shout outs is out, man. I'm out of here, man. We about to go to Obsessions, man.
Yeah.
Shouts out Push on his birthday again, man.
Again, shout out tomorrow night, Ding Dong Water Street Music Hall. And shout out the sponsors again. One of them.
Shouts out to you hosting tomorrow, man.
Yes, that again to shout out to Mr. Ollie.
Yo, nobody come that because yo, if you fuck up, nigga, I'm talking shit.
We know that, man. But just people.
So
again, thanks for watching VYBZ Friday. This is your boy, Gallus J.
Dr. Sour.
On it himself. The management in the building tomorrow. Okay. Yo, shouts out to management.
Yes, some people, like we said, tomorrow night, so we're going to play some tune and bonus for you, right? The chat is now active, right? You ready? Ready?
Oh, Jesus.
All right.
We gotta get a little squeak, but I like it.
Again, people.
Chacha boy, be a chacha ni so go and wait. We a chacha boy, spend we money, not give a friend. Chacha boy, sleep in a free time forward. Me call on a kick like Jackie Chan. Rolex with a spiff in a me hand. Where you get it from up a Barbican? Load fuck up 10 cars, giving it a gang bang. Italy, no brother, we no shop at Thailand. Out there, every gal baggy wet up to his land.
Shout out to everybody that tuned in to another live VYBZ Friday, dude.
Be a chacha ni so go and wait. Chacha boy, be a chacha ni so go and wait. Be a chacha boy, be a chacha ni so go and wait. Chacha boy, be a chacha ni so go and wait. All in a girl in a me better so me let middle finger to the haters 'cause me nah fuck again. Be a chacha boy, be a chacha ni so go and wait. Chacha boy, be a chacha ni so go and wait.
Oh, jeez. Yo, right on my brother. Yo. Tomorrow night, this no linger. No linger, we say. No linger. No linger, we say. No linger. No linger. You know the fear that I want. Water stream. Water. Oh, Jesus. Yo, I appreciate you pulling up. You don't know. Make sure y'all get y'all little rest and show out. We are Wall Street tomorrow. Yes, sir. Ding Dong Live back in Rochester. Hosted by Gallus Cake. Hey.
Me have a girl in a me car seat a chill. With a big ass big. If a stick me know she there for the kill.
Yeah, if your man can't roll up in that trouble, me G.
Say she want listen some coffee.
Walk on ground just to touch your highway upon the old tour trip.
Kill two already for the day.
You don't know.
Strike and I
You
miss
have
the
to
one.
say, moms, hold the weed back and do.
She said she never give it up in the first night. She know one night and she had the right time. But even though she have a fit tight. For your celebrity, me know the fight. She said, Dinga, what do you? Me not easy. But if you make me come, me know it, I go please me. Back to me and I tell me no, but she not mean it. Deep down, neatly, me know she freaky. The magnum a bust in her red now. Pretty little thing and she not come from town. Move to her, she telling me to slow down. And I said she want me to do a song with Chris Brown. Stop change the topic, that not make sense. Oh, Chris Brown and sex are the same sentence. Some nigga style where you went like just like alpha. Make her change the vibe and listen some Dexter. Maybe my ears see couldn't know with some double. She finally give in and I stand back for police. Play with the pet before the kitty run away. She have to give me back. Alright. Because she never give it up.
Tell me. That's like that. You go myself, you know.
Pull up in the street, jump out, I Jeep, blind me, go get a grand bag.
Ready.
Every gal I saw sweet up, tap her on the street, she want roll with Batman. Gal I saw we flare it.
Yes, sir.
You know here we.
Zugo and Dan
Some boys say them bad like me, man, tell them nearly.
So what?
We just a bra and a flask and money, no.
David, be the chat to
Gal I wine for the boss, pick up them shots and a bubble, oh.
DJ Mice, show me the